Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. Wow, we've got a big day today. We've got a really big day today. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is our real trades, our real positions, and everything is shared here by investors and traders around the world who share with you their honest trades, their honest positions. No one is here to pump and dump a stock or even sell you anything. Unless you want to buy one of my Day Trader mugs, then you can help yourself. Go to my shop. By the way, let's have a quick cup of tea. Other than that, that's not what we're about. There's no training programs. There's just a community of honest, real investors. Right, today, we're preparing for the Fed report. Interest rate hikes. We know it's going to go up. We know it's going to be painful. We know it's going to be difficult. But, however, if we get 0.75 or half a percent, and there's no way we're going to get half a percent, but if we get 0.75%, the markets are going to rally. They've expected it. They've built it in. We're preparing for it. However, if we get a 1% rise today, all hell is going to break loose. Let's get straight into the show and let's see how we do today. Here we go. So, my portfolio right now, as you can see from the opening screen, was up 1%. Why? Because I've been buying all the dips. I've been buying a lot more VU, a lot more S&P 500, a lot more Virgin Galactic, a lot more Virgin Galactic. So let me share with you right now what I've got. The S&P 500, I had 36 shares at the beginning of the middle of last week, and I now have 41. So I've increased my position in the S&P 500. It's stable. It's the most solid, safest part of my portfolio. It makes sense whether you're SPY or VU. It doesn't matter. That's what I've done. I've also, because Virgin Galactic kept dipping and dipping and dipping and dipping, and I believe in it, I bought more. You may remember I started this journey with 15 shares. Only a week ago, I had 1,400. I now have 2,311. Quite a difference. My average now is no longer 676. It was at one point over 10. It was at 1.35. But anyway, it's now $5.46. How much lower can it go? All right, so my strategy is trim off the top. Now, Virgin Orbit, I was going to buy some Virgin Orbit this morning because that has lined itself up to my lowest position as well. However, there is absolutely zero volume. Zero. Is that good or bad? No one's buying, no one's selling. The stock has gone to sleep. Now, it's at 328. I even tried to place an order this morning and it didn't even go through at a 2 cents above the asking price. That tells you the market makers aren't even processing payments at the moment. I could try it again in a minute, but anyway, that's where it is right now. Tesla, I've now got 39 shares. I haven't increased it since the 13 original old money price, but there you go. Rivian, I haven't done anything with that. Lucid, I've added more Lucid. Polestar, I haven't chased the stock down. Arrival, I sold out. Right thing to do, as it turned out, at the moment at least. Amazon, I got more Amazon. I got more Apple. What I did get a lot more of was Coca-Cola. Fed rate hike will be 100 basis points. If we get that, we are in all kinds of trouble, which is why I'm not buying anything else this morning. I'm looking to trim this morning. All right. So, Virgin Galactic, the strategy is, no matter how bullish I am, if we get any kind of bounce on this morning, or afterwards, however it might go, we need to trim off. We've got too much. The portfolio is out of balance. I'm overextended. And that's not good. Anyway, thank you very much, everybody. How are you all this morning on TikTok? Wonderful. It's a massive day today. If you want to be part of our serious traders, our serious investors, where you need to be right now is on YouTube. The links are in the profile here. Come and join us. Come out of the live show or become a subscriber here, and I will highlight you here also. Make videos for you, answer your questions, make a commercial video. Anyone who becomes a subscriber during my shows, I promote your channel. William Wallace, let's bring everyone's comments on the screen. Luke Townsend, Lovely to have you back, Luke. How are you, Luke? We've now got 110 members. Many of our shows are members only now. Many of our streams are members only chat. We have members only videos, a lot of exclusive content only seen by members. So certain information which is not the normal, I provide it for my members because I want to recognize my members. 110 now, 95% of my viewers are members. So I do provide you with exclusive content, exclusive videos. Going to live stream from the Virgin Orbit event in the UK on the 15th of October. You can be there with me as well if you want to be. I'm well, Luke. Lovely to see you. Lovely to see you. Good morning, Steam, over there on Twitch. Thank you so much indeed for keeping Twitch running in the background. As you know, there are free cash prizes there as well. Fantastic. Morning all. Power and beauty, photography. Mr. Clockwork, Fed rate will be 100. Nobody wants to hear that. This is the end of an era. Hello all. I'm good, says Luke. Hello everyone. Dexter, Fausto, our friend from Portugal. Lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. Big day today. Huge day. Let's have a sip of my tea. So, we are preparing for an almighty day. Now, we will be covering the Fed report live. And we'll go earlier than anyone else. Everyone else is going live at the beginning of the event. We'll be half an hour early to start the conversation. And also, you know, get the trending video. I'm not daft, right? I just work harder than anybody else. I'm live more than anybody else. Most YouTubers go live when it starts. I'm going live before it starts, all right? You know what I'm saying? On the Day Trader, you know what we're saying? So, if you want to be part of the biggest event of the year today, get your ticket. I might make it a members exclusive chat because it's going to be very busy, and I'm thinking I'll make it a members only chat. So I haven't decided 100%, but that's probably what I'll do because we don't want hundreds of spammers coming in and stuff like that. So anyway, there is the like. Smash the like. Here is the link, and click reminder. You want to be there for this event. You cannot miss it. It's in between the opening and closing bell. I'll post it twice so you can see it. Do you ship the products from your store to Portugal? Yes, they are all shipped locally. Yes, Spring has locations all over the world. So it doesn't, anyone, you can buy it from any country, and to be environmentally friendly, most stuff is actually coming from your location. All right? So that's worth noting. That's why I use Spring. Okay, so there you go. You can also click reminder as well. Notification bell right under the video. There it is. And you can also leave a comment in the chat if you want to. William Wallace, as you can see, has already done it. And I'm going to do it. Hi all. There you go. So you can already do that with that link. So yes, here is my shop. It's the link on, it's on the all links page on my website, of course, but I'll give you the direct link. There you go. And if you go to my shop and order anything you want in any color, any style, any design whatsoever, it will be shipped in your country. Okay. There you go. If you want something of your own, I can make your own line. So if you send me via Discord an image to go on with my logo, I will make it for you. I only charge $4 extra to customize it. So if you want your name put under my logo, for example, like that, or whatever, on the hat or the mug or the glass or the socks for Christmas or the beer mug, whatever you want, you can have your name, even on the mug. You can have your name on it as well. I charge $4 for that, and I make you your own range. And if you scroll down, you can see I've done it for other people. Now, don't order it first and then ask for it. You have to have it made first. There you go. People asked for Bitcoin. Alicia and Patricia, they wanted the leggings. Got their name on it. See, I've signed it. See that? Okay. You have to ask for that. This is the on tour in the UK. If you're coming to the UK tour with us, in 15th of October. We're all meeting in England for the tour. If you want to be part of that, so there you go. Plenty of options. Anyway, you need to order, by the way, for today if you're going to get your items in time for October. Doesn't have to be like today, but today or tomorrow, next couple of days. It's running out of time. Anyway, let's get back to our trades right now. See where we are. Let's have a look. More input on Virgin Galactic preparing for upcoming flight? Jerry Mooney, have you been watching my videos? Have you seen I've now bought 2,311 up from 1,400? See, I'm buying more and more shares. All right. All the information's on my videos. Apology, just joined. What time is the Fed announcement? We've just given you the link for the video. If you click on this video, Alex, you will see the link. We are going live half an hour or so before it starts. Okay, there it is. We're gonna stream the Fed report. We're gonna be there. It'll be you can watch, but it is a members only. I think it's going to be a members only chat. We had 6,000 join, not last time, but the time before. It was absolutely mental. So you can watch. Anyone can watch, but it's going to be a members only live chat, I think, because we want to be able to answer everyone's questions, give everyone the chance to speak. But there you go. There is the link, and it gives it you in UK time. So it'll tell you exactly what time it is. All you got to do is click on it and then click the notification bell right there, look. All right. And click like, leave a comment, and so on. All right? Okay. I hope that answers your question. Everybody on TikTok, good morning to you. 100% hike, 0.75. 100%. Let's hope so. We need that. If we have that, the markets are going to rally. If we doesn't, we're in trouble. All right? So we shall see. Now, everybody predicted that the CPI rate would come down by 0.1 or be flat. It went up by 0.1. Everybody got it wrong. Everybody got it wrong. The analysis got it wrong. Most analysis now are saying that it's 0.75. 1 in 5 say 1. If you're prepared for 1, you're safe, no question. But 0.5 is out of the window. Day trade, do you think that Virgin will go below $5? Possibly. Could go lower. Do I care? No, I'll just buy more. The interesting point is Virgin Orbit has completely and utterly stalled. They are related. Of course, they're not the same, but they share the same branding, of course. No volume at all. Zero. Nobody buying or selling today. It's dropped to 328. It's low. I want to buy it, but however, cannot make any money if it doesn't have anybody buying and selling. Anyway, just thought I'd mention that. I've never seen that before. Anyway, let's bring in some more comments. Alex, did you get that information? Are you all good now? Wow, we're green this morning. Good morning and afternoon to my family on the other side of the world. We knew it'd be green this morning. What's the volume for space? The volume for space right now. And we'll bring in the charts as well. Let me bring in the charts for you as well. The volume for space right now is 16,000, average of 8 million. So that's also quiet this morning. But however, Virgin Orbit is absolutely zero. I just thought that was worth mentioning. Stocks sink as investors wait the Fed's rate hike. This is why, though, you need to be investing in and lowering those averages. This is what I've been doing now for a week, as you know. That's why my Virgin Galactic position is soared. Right. This is the position on Virgin Galactic right now. As you can see there, the RSI right now is 57, overbought at the moment. It was a lot, 57.46, overbought at the moment, and the MACD line also is indicating not a buy at the moment, but that could change very, very quickly. Anyway, we'll come back to that. Too early to tell right now, pre-market at these volumes. Anyway, there are no earnings reports of note on Tuesday, although a warning from Ford about inflation and supply chain woes added to investor worries. Let's have a quick look at our Ford. We are now, because of church, somehow we got me to promote Ford every day. Not sure how it happened, but anyway, I'm down 8.7%. I've got 10 shares. I doubled it the first time, and there we go. Housing starts for August rose more than 12% from July, but building permits were down 10%. In the end, God will show us the right way. There you go, Clocky. The Fed will hurt Americans no matter what it does. Okay, well, we're going to be positive. We're going to find ways to get through it. We're going to buy the lower dips. We're going to buy the companies that we want to hold. How many hours before the Fed announcement? If you come into the link here and you come into YouTube, I will share with you the link. We're going to be live on YouTube today. This is my YouTube broadcast for the Fed report. We're going to be streaming it today live. And if you come and get the link from me, you can see what time it is in your country. But if you are in the UK, hang on, are you in the UK? I don't know what country you're in. Hence why I said come to YouTube. Come to YouTube right now. You'll be in our main program. This is our main program here. You're watching on the screen behind me. And we are reporting on the Fed. We are going to go live before anyone else. Everybody, YouTube is quite lazy actually, and TikTokers. They tend to go live when the action starts. I like to go half an hour before to build the community. I like to do that, and we discuss and plan what we're going to do ahead of time. So you're in London. Oh, okay, I'm from Cornwall, the United Kingdom, but my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to you. I'll put my studio on the screen behind me. This is my TV studio coming up on the screen in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There it is. There's my TV studio. That's where I am in Dallas, Texas right now. But I need to get back to YouTube. That's where my serious traders and investors all are. The link's in the profile. Come and join us. Say, I'm from TikTok. And also you can say, I'd like to be in your cash prize giveaway for Friday. Every Friday, do your Cornwall accent. All right, my buddy, my handsome, my lover, my booty. There we go. I'll be in Cornwall very soon, actually, on the 15th of October for the Day Trader Convention. We're all meeting to make a film at Virgin Orbit, and we're going to go to Cornwall, and we're going to have a party on the beach. You can all be with me. Details are all on YouTube. Come and join us. I'm live there now. I've got to get back to my traders. All right, okay. Here we go. In the Fed will hurt. Right, let's get prepared. We are just coming up to the hour, so we need to run a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And we're back. All right, now then. We've got 31 watching, 19 likes. So you know what I'm going to ask you to do, right? You know what I'm going to ask you to do. You know very well. Let's get what we're going for. 25 likes within 1 minute. Here we go. Big day today, the Fed report. Let's make a lot of money today. Let's buy the dips. Let's get prepared for whatever happens. All right, let's make sure we're prepared. Know your strategy, what you're going to sell, what you're going to buy. All right, here we go. Chicky, pow, pow. Said chicky, pow, pow. Smash the like. We need 25 likes over on YouTube. Come and join us, and let's get 25 likes over on TikTok. Come and join us on YouTube. Links in the profile. All right. Good morning, Theodore Roll. History in the markets. Down year 2022, 20%. Up year 2023. Let's hope so. Right. We got 2 more likes to go. We got 15 seconds. Chicky, pow, pow. Chicky, pow, pow. Can all non-members please introduce themselves? I love that. What a great gesture that is from our dear friend. I love that. Let me change that screen there. That should be there. That should be there. There you go. And Marty just subscribed. Welcome to Marty. Thank you so much indeed for just subscribing to our channel. Marty, there you go. I just subscribed to myself. I love that. I love that. Church of Logic has just said, and I think that's really, really nice, would all non-members please introduce themselves? Absolutely awesome. Yes. Let's have a quick shout out to everybody, shall we? Very, very quickly. So, my name is Martyn Lucas from Cornwall in England. I'll be there on the 15th of October. If you want to join me, ask me in the chat and you can be there with me. Let me give you a wave. There we go. This is my TV studio from Dallas, Texas, but I'm actually from Cornwall in England. Everybody else put their cities and countries in. We go live up to 10 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Always here on YouTube, TikTok and Twitch. Our home is YouTube. This is the best experience for you all. London time for the Fed, midday, 6 p.m. And if you click my profile here, I'm going live on YouTube with all my traders and investors live. You can chat, you can call in, you can be part of it, you can discuss with us all, and the link's in the profile. If you're coming to YouTube right now, saying a quick hello to Martin, there's one of my badge members, one of my Luca badge members, one of my subscribers. Thank you for your support, Ray. Without you, I couldn't go live every day on TikTok. It's my subscribers. I have 12 subscribers now on TikTok. We're trying to get to 23, so the little target at the top, and I hopefully reward you by following you back, making commercials for you, and I appreciate your support to my channel, and everything I can do to help you, I will. Thank you so much indeed. Ray, it's lovely to have you here. Thank you so much for all your support. All your support. I appreciate it so much. Click the profile, come into YouTube. I'll give you the link for the Fed report this afternoon. Right. Virgin Galactic is up 0.79. Virgin Orbit is holding. It's likely to go up this morning. Why am I not buying it? Because I'm overextended. I can't do any more. It doesn't matter. I've got all my eggs spread across my baskets. Al Ingram. Hi, Alfie, here from Salford. Salford. I know Salford. How are you? We got some friends here from Manchester, Liverpool, Birmingham. I was born in Evesham. So Salford, know where you are. Lovely to have you here, A. Ingram. Welcome to the party. There are many things you can do to get involved today. You can call in live to the show. You can have your say. We can promote your YouTube channel. We can put it on the homepage of our YouTube channel. We're here as a channel which supports people, trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. Not the biggest, but the best. We're here to help people, support people. Cash prize giveaways every Friday. We're reporting the Fed live today. Our members can call in. If you want to be a member, you can for a couple of bucks a month if you want to be, or you can watch for free if you like. It's the members that fund the live shows. That's how I go live up to 10 hours a day, 5 days a week. Plus, we celebrate your birthdays for members. We do 20-minute fundraisers for members. And we've raised a lot of money in this studio for our members over the years. Before the Day Trader, when I was Martyn Lucas music channel, and continuing on now with the Day Trader. Good afternoon, Rob McLean. Just back in from my cycle ride in time to see what the US market does today. Yes, indeed. Scuba dive from Palm Bay, Florida. Lovely. Will Lucid have the same issues with production? Yes, it already is. It already is. Raymond, have you sent me a friend request on Discord? Who's Raymond? Who's Raymond? Raymond. Who are you talking to, Paul? I'm scrolling up. I don't see any Raymonds. Ray. I don't see any Raymonds. Maybe I missed it. Anyway. Lots of insiders for space bought the stock last night. Lots of insiders for space bought the stock last night. Can you share with me that information, where you got that information from? Ah, Raymond Reddington. He means me. He means me from the blacklist. Yeah, I'm actually Raymond Reddington. I didn't want to tell anybody. Have you sent me a friend request on Discord? Ooh. Let's have a look. Probably. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Paul B. Have we been chatting recently? Let's have a little look. Paul B. Paul B. Paul B. Paul B. Paul B. There you are, Paul B. Are we friends? Oh, no, I haven't. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. I'll do it now, though. There you are. I've just done it now. Is this your account? Yeah, we got scammers all the time. Is this your account? Just confirm that's you. Is that you? Because I've just sent you a friend. I've just sent you a friend request. It wasn't me before. So anyway, on TikTok it's the same. Discord it's the same. Yeah, that's me. All right, I've just sent you a friend request, so you can accept that one. The one that just came in. All right, the one that just came in. And I'll send you a message. You ready? This is me. Right, remember, very, very easy to tell which one is me on Discord. It's so important. If you look in the roles, they never have owner roles. Of course they don't. They don't own the server. I do. So if you get a message from anyone on Discord, first of all, I never message anybody first. I always reply to you. The only time I message you is if you've messaged me and I reply to you. The only time I message you is about fundraiser. When you've won the cash prize draw on the Friday, or you're asking me a question and I reply to you. And most certainly, I will never sell you anything. I will never go click here and buy my dodgy Bitcoin. However, I might say, do you want to buy one of my mugs? But not in a chat, not in a message. I won't message anyone going, oi, buy one of my t-shirts. Never do that, ever. Discord is the same. I have over 100 copycats on Discord. You know they're not me. One, they might have the same amount of followers as me because they do follow for follow, which is scammy and ridiculous. I only follow my subscribers. So you know it's the real me because I've got 25,000 followers and I follow like 30 people. Just my members on YouTube and my subscribers. That's it. Because I can engage in all of those. Also, I'm live all the time. They're never live. I never message you. They message you all the time. I never sell you anything. They sell you crap all the time. And my videos have views. Many of my videos have 500,000 views now. They have no views because all they do is follow for follow. So please, please be very wary of the terrible people on TikTok. And same on Discord. And every day I go into Discord and I find another Martyn Lucas pretending to be me and I delete them immediately. If you ever come onto Discord and change your name to even something close to Martyn Lucas, in case you're thinking of doing it, don't even bother. The moment anything is close to Martyn Lucas, no negotiation, I just block you because you're just trying to impersonate me and take advantage of our wonderful community. And I will not allow it. There you go. Thanks for all the follows on TikTok. We're now approaching over 25,000. Next, we want to get to 100,000 on TikTok. That's our aim. And 100,000 subscribers on YouTube as well. Brilliant. That's our aim. I had Discord with friend request in the last 20. I had a Discord friend request. There you go. Just check the roles. You can see who I am. All right, look, just in case there's any confusion with who I am on Discord, look, Martyn Lucas 3655, but more importantly, look, the role of owner. They haven't got that, and my name will be, my text is in gold, see it? My name's in gold because I'm the owner. They'll be like you guys, they'll just have white, you know. They'll be like you, just regular folks, just, you know. I feel like Ricky Gervais now. Living legend, regular. Right? So living legends like me, we have gold on our names. All right? Regular folks like you, the YouTube public, white text. You don't even get a colour, do you? Do you get a colour? I don't know if you even get. Do you even get a colour? Have I given you a colour? I don't think I've even given you a colour. Members don't even have a colour. I mean, that's not on, is it? You don't even get a colour. You're transparent. Living legend, gold. That's what Ricky Gervais does, doesn't it? I think it's so funny. Anyway. Raymond's got our backs. Yes, I have. Check Discord, Martin. Links for YouTube before the bell. All right, links for YouTube. Oh, finally, someone's doing it correctly. Now, if you're a member, you can do this. You can send links in. Exactly. This is a powerful tool to users' activity. This is a powerful tool to use for insider activity. Right. Let's have a look. I've got some information here just sent in. If you're a member, you can do this as well. Virgin Galactic, technical chart, insider tracking. Oh, okay. Thanks for this information. I wasn't aware of this. This is something I'm going to have to look at offline because it's... But just to give it a quick headline, if insiders are buying Virgin Galactic, easy to read, North America, insider updated throughout the day. This is a powerful tool for insider trading. If insiders are buying Virgin Galactic, obviously that's a good sign for any stocks. Good morning all, wishing you all the best. Stock market plan. Wonderful to have you here. One of our members, Chart School, is back. Chart School is back. I'll do some bloody charts. You want some bloody chart school? Right, let's do chart school. Yes, we're doing chart school right now. Here we go. So let's have a look. This is Virgin Galactic right now. We can see the RSI is overbought. That's probably the traders, the insiders. It's 57. Yesterday it was 30. It can bounce around this RSI channel very quickly. You will see that we want to wait for it to... Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter really on the chart right now. We're already in. You just need to look at the price of Virgin. You will see if insiders are buying. At that moment, only Martin is buying. I'm the only one. Well, yeah, last night it popped up, didn't it? I made a video on it. Did anybody see it? Did anybody ever watch any of my videos, or do I just talk to myself? But yeah, last night it popped up. Did everybody see that last night? We had a little pop last night. Doesn't show on that chart very well. That's the week chart. But anyway, yeah, I'm the only one buying it. I quite like that. I'm okay with that. If I am the complete owner of Virgin Galactic, then Richard Branson can watch my show and buy from my super chat. You know, I'll say, okay, Richard Branson, give me $100 super chat, and I will transfer some shares to you. You know, I'm going to own all the shares of Virgin Galactic, keep them all to myself, and if you want to buy them, you have to give me a super chat. Yeah, the pot was Martin. See? Over on TikTok, you're missing all this fun, right? You're missing all this fun. You need to be on YouTube. I single-handedly am manipulating the stock of Virgin Galactic. Oh, yes, I am. It's all down to me. Right, okay, getting very close now. We got a big day today. Huge day today on the markets. Very, very exciting. I've prepared. I've bought the dips. If we get a 0.75 or half, forget it. That would be great. That ain't happening. 0.75, then the markets are going to rally. They've already priced it in. If we get a 1, oh my gosh. But I've already bought the dips. Insiders, as we've just learned from the church, are already buying back into Virgin Galactic. It's too cheap. All I want to see, I don't know if we can find this out, has Richard Branson bought back his shares yet? And he did the right thing. When everybody says he sold all his shares, it was the right thing to do. I'm in the room again, Real Ray. Come on, TikTokers, move to YouTube. There you go, says Real Ray. On the screen, look up here, look. Real Ray, he's a TikTok subscriber. He was just with you a moment ago, but look on the screen, look, here he is. Real Ray says, I'm in the room again. Come on, TikTokers, move to YouTube. That's a subscriber on TikTok. He knows. Do you know what's going on? Have you got the inside track? Jump on YouTube and be part of the best community in the world. Why do I say that? It's official. We have more people as members to our live stream on YouTube than anyone. And I've checked it. We're a small channel. I'm not saying we're a big channel. I'm not saying we have more subscribers and more views than anyone. We don't. We have less than anyone. But during our shows, our live shows, the percentage of people that are watching and members is higher than anyone. It's over 95%. So there you go. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it, BitBoy and Meet Kevin and Mr. Beast and T-Series and anybody else who thinks they're a big YouTuber. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's hope for a relief rally. We hope so. He will have to file it, so we will know using the site I sent you. All right, I'm going to use that from now on, church. That's going to be part of my show. I'm going to have a Church of Logic segment. There'll be a little jingle. Church of Logic. And it will come with the inside information. But like a little inside segment. Hello, what time is the interest rate? Ali Tisro, you won't miss it. How could you even miss it? I sometimes wonder if I even speak to myself on this show. How many times can I give you the video where we're going to show it? Here it is. Click on this. Leave a like. Click reminder, this is in your time zone. Bloody hell, people. Look, here it is. Look, click the like. Leave a comment like our friend from Portugal's done. And William Wallace. Freedom. And also smash the notification bell so you'll be reminded. That tells you when we're going to go live. The Fed report is our biggest event of the year. We had 6,000 watch it live 2 times ago. Not the one before, but 2 times ago. Anyway, it's going to be a members-only live chat, so we don't have a load of idiots trying to take over the chat, all right? So you need to be a member if you want to chat. Hello, Ali Tisro. Ali Tisro, royalty in the house today. Our gold member has been from the very beginning. Now, if you're wondering why he's got a little green badge like that, it's because he's changed accounts. That's why he's got his green badge. His badge is actually yellow, about to turn red, actually, or about to turn gold. It's because he's set up another account. So there you go. That's why his badge is only green. Anyway, your fingers will be swollen from piano playing super chat. Good. Absolutely right. 6 p.m. London time, Ali. Yes, thanks, Church. Yeah, ask Church. Don't ask me. It's only my show. Don't ask me, will you? Church is the best. What? It's not Church's show. It's my show. I want that coffee Martyn had today. You can buy the mug on my shop. Links are below. Go to the shop now and order. In fact, you can't get this one. This is the anniversary mug. This is a limited edition. It only appears very, very rarely on random days. Hardly ever, if at all. It's going to be a collector's piece one day down that market that Paul B's about to mention. It says 7 p.m. live stream. Thought it was 6. The time is when it go. Yeah, I mean, I go live at 6. Your time. I don't know why it says 7. What have you done on your telly? You broke your telly. Have you got your wherever you're watching, you've got your time zone set wrong on your clock. That's what that is. I can't control that. I have a 100% accurate cash indicator on Revolt. Says whenever they add new stocks onto the platform, there's a big crash coming. Whenever they add new stocks to the platform, there is a big crash coming. Says Mr. Clocky. Right, let's get back to the overall portfolio. We're up now nearly 1%. Okay, we've got 48 watching. Right, goodbye for 10 days. Heading to your neck of the woods on Friday night. Unbelievable. So you're going to go there and leave about 3 days before I arrive. Paul B, that was bad planning. I'm going to be there soon. I'm going to be in England very, very soon. Taking my vacation, and also we're filming the Virgin Orbit, the party on the 15th of October. Unbelievable. Right, goodbye, everybody. Friday, thing to do now. See you soon, everyone. Discord me if needed. Discord you if needed. Yep. If anyone needs Paul B, very, very important person. He's a legend. If you need him, he'll be on Discord. Otherwise, he's on holiday. Tune in now and again from your holiday, you miserable sod. See you, Paul B. Have a good time away from the markets. Don't be away from the markets. That means you're away from me. Don't like it. Anyway, right, we've got 48 watching right now. We're starting to build for our big event today. We're getting ready for it. Let's a quick commercial break. We'll be back in 10 seconds. We want to find out who our guests are right now. You ready? Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Yes, have a nice holiday, even though I'm going to miss you. All right, see you in a bit. Be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back in the house. Here we go. Now, we've got a lot of new guests watching this morning. A lot of new guests as we prepare for the Fed report. If you want to be with us live, you can. It's our biggest event. It's members only chat. Anyone can watch, but members only chat. Get your big boy pants on today. You're going to need it. Buckle up tight. Big, big day. Martyn, what are your thoughts on how today will go? This is what I've prepared. Everyone's portfolio is their own. I believe it'll be 0.75. There is a 1 in 5 chance it's a 1. If it's a 1, the markets crash. I will sell. I will dump, even though I'm down in some stocks. But I'm preparing for it to rally on a 0.75. You can't have it always. You can't have it always. That's what I'm preparing for. So, we've got a good number watching right now. I'm going to put a minute on the clock. I want to get 35 likes because we had nearly 50 watching a second ago. They're all watching the commercial break. Should I wait a second? I think I need to wait a second, all right? They're all watching the commercial break. I'll wait a second. Tesla, up today. Rivian, up. Lucid, up. Polestar, up. Still down 35% though. Arrival, I sold it all. Amazon, here we go. Apple, up. Over there on TikTok, we've got a great audience today. Always need big pants. Constant courage. Always need your big pants. Bloody right. Spot on. I've already added my like. Real Ray, I wouldn't have expected anything less. Coca-Cola, up 0.32. Ali Tisro, I'll be short for a bit. I will be going short for a bit of fun. You better not short. I tell you what, mate. If you start shorting my my Virgin Galactic, me and you are gonna have words. In fact, go ahead because I want to squeeze you. Squeeze Ali Tisro. Squeeze the bugger. Right, like a ripe peach. Squeeze the bugger like that. Get him to buy back into the stock and have it boom up. Right, okay, here we go. Everyone's come back in the house now. We want 35 likes. You ready? We're exploding right now. Are you ready? 1 minute on the clock. It's going to be our biggest ever audience today. I can feel it. The markets are going to rally. Right, 1 minute on the clock. Everyone smash the like button. Let me look into my crystal ball. Today we're going to get a 0.75. I'm preparing for it, but if we do get a 1, because this crystal ball doesn't always work. Sometimes it breaks. The batteries get a bit flat. It doesn't always work. So if we do get a 1, I will sell Virgin Galactic and take a small loss and buy it back anyway. I'm prepared for that. I'm ready for that. I'm deployed, I'm organised, I'm structured, I've got my tea, I've got my family on YouTube, we're all good. Right, smash the like button. I need 35 likes in 18 seconds. Smash the like. Get out of the way, crystal ball. Move along. There goes the crystal ball. Come on then. We need 8 seconds to go. We need more likes. Smash the like button. Come on. We need a little bit more. 35 likes. We've got 30. It's rubbish. Only 44 people are watching. 44 people are watching, and that's like 15 of you haven't liked the video. What do I have to do? Right. Okay. Here we go. Virgin Galactic holding. 10 minutes to go. 11 minutes to go now. Tesla up. Let's look at our crypto as well. Ethereum is up 1.22. Bitcoin is up 1.54. Am I buying it? No. I'm expecting to go down lower. Yes. All right. Enphase Energy up again. So 65% plus the 5%, 70% up now on Enphase Energy. Ginkgo Bioworks up 23%. I'm out of the stock right now, pretty much. Well, I have, I'm out. I've got one share. That's out, right? I will be going to short, says Ali Tisro. So if you're not a member right now, make sure you're a member for this afternoon for the the thingamajig show. The Thingamajig Show. Make sure you become a member. I think everybody now, apart from John Crett, is a member. Nearly everybody is. Mr. Clockwork, Putin is mobilizing 300,000 troops from the reserves. Yes, he is. It's awful. They'll just get killed. They'll get crushed by what's being sent from the West. It is absolutely sacrifice. And the thing is, when those young men start dying, which they will, hopefully people will retaliate and rise up and get rid of him. There's a lot of problems now in the Kremlin. I'm hoping he's going to be toppled. He needs to be toppled. I can't believe we live in a world with drones and James Bond and no one can sort this out. Send SpongeBob. SpongeBob can do anything. I don't know what... Oh, Danger Mouse. Bring Danger Mouse back. Remember Danger Mouse from the 80s? Bring him back. Danger Mouse. Banana Man. All these people could sort Putin out easy. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so here we go. We're waiting for the bell. We've just got 9 minutes to go. We are going to be covering the Fed report live today. We are going to be live today, and we're going to go early before the other YouTubers. Why? Why? Is it because I'm clever, smarter than anyone else? No. It's because I want to make sure I get the trending video. That's why. And I'll work harder. And I'll go before everybody else does. Everybody else is going about 5 minutes before it starts. Like Meet Kevin. Lazy. So I'm going to go early. So there you go. Here's the Fed report. If you want to join us live for Jerome Powell, he's going to be live on the show. Broadcasting 4K. You can get involved. There's the link in the chat. Go there right now. Smash the like button. Leave a comment in the chat. Mike's here, look, the Queen of Self-Braiding. They're all doing it, see? This is the in crowd. Want to be in the in crowd. And then click the notification bell. All right. Anyway. Just saying. Get back to the main show. I'm going to watch it. I'm going to watch it on Fed YouTube instead. Listen here, you, Ali Tisro. Listen here. Between me and you, Ali. Ali, come close to the TV a minute. Just for a second, come close to the telly. Between me and you, right? This is what I do, Ali. What I do is I go on a really famous YouTube channel that has TV cameras in the Fed report room with Jerome Powell. They're kind of in there. And basically what I do is I restream that broadcast. So it's not actually real. I don't have Jerome Powell actually in my YouTube studio. But what I've done is I get the feed from this really famous big news YouTube channel, TV channel, and I stream it. And, there you go. But what I do though, is have the family and the community. You can ask questions and get involved. All right? So why would you watch it anywhere else? Because if you watch it anywhere else, you'll be ignored. If you watch it on Yahoo Finance... Oh, did I mention that? If you watch it on Yahoo Finance, you'll be in the chat getting ignored. No one will talk to you. You'll be ignored. Here, everybody loves you. So it's up to you. You can give your ad revenue, which doesn't cost you any money at all, to Yahoo Finance, or you can give it to Martyn Lucas, the boy from Cornwall. It's up to you. And you can talk to the family. All right? Filtering out the riffraff. There's no riffraff here. The Church of Logic. See, he's up for it. He's enjoying it. Right, here we go. We've got 5 minutes to go. What are we going to see? Are you prepared? Is everybody organized? Do you have your structure? Do you have your plan? Market is already showing us the rate hike. What do you mean? The market is already showing you it. Well, I'm prepared. I'm prepared. Siddhartha, hello there. How are you, Sid? How are you, Sid? You're missing all the fun and games this morning. You should have been here 5 minutes ago. Telling you. All right. Okay, we got day trader of the day. We got our cash giveaway on Friday. If you're not in the cash giveaway already yet, we do it on YouTube. If you're not in the cash giveaway yet, come into the chat and say, I want to be in your free cash giveaway. All you do is watch one of my videos and leave a comment. That's it. And you'll be in the draw. If you want the link, and you want to be involved, we do it every single Friday. Just come into the chat and say, give me the money. I want to be in the draw. Say something nice, you know. I'm giving you my hard-earned money here. I'm a very small YouTuber, but I share what I get. Can't do more than that. Doing good, thanks. Just finished my workout. Hey, good man. 5 minutes to go. We're watching very closely. It will be 100 base points. We certainly hope not. We certainly hope not. Cliff Mitchell just subscribed. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Shall we have a quick look and see how many subscribers we got this morning to the show? Because not everyone shows up, remember? 4928. Oh, look at that. 8 subscribers. 8 subscribers in the first few minutes of the show. Bloody hell. Look at that, look. See that? Mr. Beast would love numbers like that, right? I'm scared because I have no choice but to just sit and wait to see what happens. I'm already at a loss. Mate, I'm right with you. I'm joking around. We'll definitely be here. I'm joking around. I'll be here, he says. I don't think you were joking for a minute. You weren't joking until I told you off. If I sell now and then it pumps, I miss out. If I don't sell and it tanks, I lose my money. Mate, ain't that the way of the world? You're not alone. Yeah. No one. We're not alone. That's the purpose of this family, right? Okay. If you want the stocks to go up today, if you want to make money, you need to put some energy into the house. You ready? Come on. We need to get, we've got 51 watching now. I want 40 likes minimum. In fact, I'm going to make it 45. Sod it. 45 likes in 1 minute. Everybody, let's get behind the stocks. Let's like the video. Let's push the video out. I'm going to promote all the stocks today. I'm going to get behind everything. Look into my crystal ball. We're all going to make some money. Come on, here we go. Smash the like button. Let's make some money. Everybody, come on. Smash it. Share it. Click the share. You're going to get the Fed report live today from Jerome Powell. We're all going to be here. All of my members can have a conversation in the chat. You can ask questions. We'll put it through to the Twitter channel. Everybody can get involved. We are the family. We're going to be here for each other. Smash the like button. We've got 41 likes. We want 45. Would be perfect. Smash the like button. Let's all make some money. Come on. It's going to be a green day. It's going to be a green day if everyone smashes the like button. Come on. Let's do it. Smash the like. Smash the like. We got 2.5 minutes to go. Let's get ready for it. Here we go. Okay, we got 42 likes. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, here we go. Everybody on TikTok, 2 fingers. Smash the likes. Let's drive up the channel. Click the share button here. Click the share button. All your family and friends will get to hear about this craziness on YouTube and TikTok and Twitch. Right. I'm disliking. I'm short. You're going to dislike, are you? He's doing it again. Ali Tisro's giving me grief. My link is broke. My like is broken. Your like is broken? What, you smashed it so many times you broke it? Right, here we go. Here we go, folks. Markets are going down already. This is expected. What's happening now is expected. We've had the pump. Now we have the dump. That's not the direction. The direction will not come until the Fed reports this afternoon. Right, get ready for the lightning round. Get ready for the lightning round. We're going to go through all the stocks. We're going to see the movement. We're going to get behind it. Everyone like, everyone share. My coffee's here. Thank you, Leah. My coffee's here in the official day trader mug. Here it is. Get yourself a day trader mug and you always make money. Links are below in my shop. I'll never send you a message going, oi, buy my mugs. But I will say to you on the show live like this. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's get ready. Here we go. Get ready for one of the biggest days ever. We've had big days, but this one today could be pivotal in history of where we end up with our pensions in 10 or 20 years' time. Really, is that real? 10, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Let's watch today, the biggest day we're ever going to get. Okay, the market has dumped already, and it's rebounded. There we go. You'll watch it. We'll go through all the stocks right now, and we'll see the reaction. The market's now open, and we're still green. Not a lot of movement. Let's go through our stocks. Here we go. Here comes the lightning round. The Vanguard S&P is up 0.53 and still rising. Virgin Galactic is 509. Okay. If it goes down dramatically lower, I'll buy some more. If it starts to go up, I will set a stop trading loss and catch it going up. I've got an average of 546. I want to sell it at 550 and 560. Virgin Orbit, 328. We knew that was going to pop this morning, but I'm just not prepared to put any more money on that kind of stock today, at least. Tesla is 309, 9, 8, and 27. That's 1,000. That's 927 in old money. Tesla looking good. Rivian has dropped 0.45. The overall portfolio again has dropped back down. Let's have a look. Rivian has gone down. Let me just go back into the screen. You can see exactly what's moving. The overall portfolio is there. Look, you can see I'm still up. In fact, I'm going up now, right now. Rivian, let's carry on going through the stocks. We've got Lucid now down. It's in fact up 0.46. We've got Polestar down 0.58. Arrival is down. I'm out of the stock right now. Amazon is also up today and just pulling back slightly. Overall portfolio now is up 0.91. Apple is up 0.48. We are moving upwards at the moment. This doesn't tell you anything though. Virgin Galactic hasn't gone cheap enough to be buy more and hasn't set up a sale either. Back to Virgin Orbit 334. We knew it would do that. Amazon, Apple is up. Robinhood is up 0.6 but falling back. McDonald's is up 0.02. Coca-Cola is up 0.58. I'm down to 2.97 overall. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.1. I'm down 1.84 overall. Google is up but just falling back 0.2. We've got Microsoft is up 0.63. And moving, just pulling back slightly. Meta Platforms, formerly Facebook, is up 0.23 and moving upwards. SoFi is going down at down 0.34. IonQ is up 1%. PayPal is up 1.1. I'm out of the stock right now. Rolls-Royce, I'm out of the stock, down at 86 cents. Walmart is up 1.62. I'm up 11% now on these kind of stocks where the money goes at the bottom. Walmart up. Target is up 1% as well. Good dividends. I've got some dividends paying at 8. Oh, Tesco is up 1.45. We're coming now to the final stretch. Where are we going to end right now? Tesco is down and up all over the place. We've got now Canoe is down. It's down flat right now at 0. We've got On Semiconductors up 0.872, down 0.71 now. Tilray Brands has fallen 0.5%. My overall portfolio is now taking a dive. It's still up 0.25%. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic and see. We're down to 505 now. 504. Will it break? Will it break now? $5. I will buy more if it goes below 5. Not just yet. Hold on to your seats. Let's go back to our position. Target is going up. Tesco's is going up. Canoe is up 0.43. We're still up 0.27. On is up 0.66. Tilray Brands is down 0.65 as we move to the final stretch now. Ginkgo Bioworks is down 1.7 and Enphase Energy is up another 0.25%. Second largest hedge fund in the world. Citadel Capital has made positions in preparedness for a 1% hike. 1% hike if that happens. Okay, let's prepare for that. Bitcoin SV is up 0.19. Bitcoin is up 1.38. And on the line, Ethereum is up 0.64. The Fed wanted this. Mr. Clockwork, they want to drive the prices down. GM all, I am busy at work today. Good morning all. Queen of celebrating. Huge day today. Back to our position. We are down 0.25. Afternoon, everyone. Virgin Galactic is now $5. $5, it's done it. It's hit $5. $4.99. $4.99 now. Here we go. Virgin Galactic, $3.37. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic is now $4.98. So hold on to your seats. Question is when to buy and what. You have to buy to survive this. You have to buy and lower your averages. You have to go all in. It's difficult, I know, but this is the only way. I just sold 40% of my shares with space. Trim off. Ugh. Okay, if we break 5, that will be bloody. And it has. It's $4.99. Okay, I'm down $1,000. 000. Now, what you could do now is It's a penny stock like I predicted. It is a penny stock. Officially, it's a penny stock. Correct. It is now a penny stock. It hit $5. Now, the decision I have to make is I can sell my entire position for a loss of $1,000 and buy it when it goes down to 3, 2, 1, God knows what else. Or I can hold. I am going to hold. I am going to hold. So we've got our first resistance right now. I can buy if I want to. Let me load the gun. 498. You either believe in the stock or you don't. We could have a massive rally today. And remember, this is now pricing in a 1. This is pricing in a 1. It's already happening. So if we get a 0.75, it's going to go up to $6, $7 today. I think you just keep going. If you believe in the stock. If you don't believe in the stock, then you should jump out. Also holding. What's the volume on space? Let's have a look. The volume is 16,000. Very, very low. Hardly any volume whatsoever. Ether will have some big news. Ether will have some big buy orders for space, or we won't get if no demand. 497. You either believe in it or you don't. Bought 10 more space. Love this. Remember why it's selling out. It's purely fear. It's purely fear because the big money goes where they can make money now. That's all. The big money goes where they can make money now. And Virgin Galactic hasn't got the news yet. This is the time to buy it. But you've got to decide how far you can go. The S&P's turning. 498. I've just bought 100 at 497, 498. You either believe in it or you don't. Two, 3, 1, 1. Average is 544. This is the time when millionaires and billionaires are created. You either believe in it or you don't. You run when it gets fearful. This is what happened to Tesla. This is what happened to Amazon. If you don't believe in the stock, you think it's junk, you shouldn't own it. You can't fall in love with the stock. It's all about making money. I agree. Load the space boat, Martin. This will be over $10 next year for sure. The boat is loaded. That's a huge part of my portfolio. This is not a dip, says Mr. Clockwork. You can't fall in love with the stock. I'm now at 900 shares and can only buy 25 more. Excuse me 1 second, folks. Just a second. The reason why I bought in is for the simple reason, psychologically, and remember, it's all about psychology. As we went below 5, that could have triggered an emotional collapse. But we didn't. So, you have to believe, you either believe or you don't. I'm going to look at the chart now of Virgin Galactic. Oh, look at this. There we go. Look, if you're interested in charts, you'll find this interesting. Look. it was oversold. The RSI dropped dramatically. It's 26.71. It's below 30. Oversold right now. So again, the chart didn't prove anything yesterday, but the RSI is 26.71 and it was lower. It was about 17. So dramatically oversold there, a dramatic reaction. And as you can see, it's going up. I just bought it at 498. You are this. I mean, if you are blessed enough to have $1 million, you don't need to buy this sort of stuff. You just put your money on VU, sit back, take 20%, 10% a year, and you're fine. That's what you do if you're already rich. You just slowly grow your wealth with a slow growth, whatever. If you're like me and you started with $5,000 and you earn about $10 a day on YouTube, and this is your full-time income, you've got to be a bit more risky. And I believe in Virgin Galactic, 100%. What's the volume now? 16,000. Let me refresh the screen in case that hasn't updated. It's sometimes possible. I am now green by 0.25%, and a lot of that is to do with Virgin Galactic giving me a big return now. I bought another 100. My average now is insanely low. 544. The average now is nearly 1 million. 837,000. There's good volume. There's good interest. There you go. Volume is up. Sometimes people don't want to see the reality. Mr. Clockwork. Same Martin, 498. Mr. Clockwork. Sometimes people don't want to see the reality. They have no idea how bad the blood is about to be. Hedge funds don't buy the yields and bonds overnight. The S&P's going up. Virgin Galactic's going up. My overall portfolio is up 0.25%. So we're watching very closely. Thank you very much for everyone tuning in today. We've got a massive day lined up for you. We've got the Fed report later on this afternoon. We're going to be there live for it. Virgin Galactic's now 505. Now what I can do is I can sell the 498s. I can do that. I can lot position with Robinhood. I can say, okay, I'm selling 100 now. Take my profit from 498. Make a 7, 8, 9, make $10 profit. That's all. Get 2 free shares and do it again. Or wait until I get a real overall average and don't have to worry about lot selling. Sell from the general pot of the average of 544. Right, let's have a look. The overall portfolio now is up 0.5%. Isn't today, Jerome? Yes, today, and we are reporting it live. If you want to tune in live with us, here is the Jerome Powell report. We're going to be there live. Jerome Powell is going to be live on the show with us all. You know what I mean. There is the video link. You can put a like on it right now. You can ring the bell right now and get notified. It's right there in the chat for you right now. If you're over on TikTok, come and join us. You want to be part of it. Thank you for all the comments and all the follows. Thank you so much indeed. Thanks for all the shares, everybody. Really helping this family grow on TikTok. This is the most honest, real TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch channel there is. We're here to help people. Everything I do is to support everybody. We go live up to 10 hours a day. It's my real money, my real shares. So here we go. 36,604. We're up 0.25%. Virgin Galactic now, 508. It's turned green. $507, $506. Bought 1,000 space at $4.95. Stop loss at $4.90. Okay. Vorb is the moonshot. What does that mean? What does that mean? Virgin Orbit is the moonshot. I've no idea what that means. Virgin Orbit is doing business with the military defense. It provides satellites into space. It'll be very useful in a war. It's also doing commercial satellites. It's got nothing to do with commercial flying, nothing to do with Virgin Galactic other than the branding whatsoever. It shares some of the same resources, but that's it. Nothing else. People get the two confused. Virgin Orbit technically can make more money than Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit can make more money than Virgin Galactic. I apologise, because of its military position and commercial positioning. 509. We're up 0.17. What did everybody do this morning? I bought. Now, don't think I'm the bravest man in the world. I perfectly intend to sell some. I can sell the ones I've just done. I can sell. I've got $10, 10 cents a share, more than that now. I got more space. 511, 510. $512. The overall portfolio is up 0.68. The S&P is rising. Virgin Galactic is rising. Virgin Orbit is going down. There's no volume at all with Virgin Orbit at all. Nothing. Zero. Zero. Never seen this. Never seen this. I sensed something this morning. I'm going to refresh it and check that. But I sensed this morning something very, very odd. I just had this feeling. They are 33,000. Absolutely nothing. Zero. Well, it isn't technically zeros. It's 33,000, but that's absolutely nothing. Virgin Galactic. It's good to see it hold $5. A good sign. Yep. I'm very pleased. I only have to get to 544 now, and I can start trimming. Now, I could trim from the pack. I could do lot trading and form Robinhood to sell from the bottom. I can do that because it's first in, first out FOFO with Robinhood. They will sell my my oldest stocks first. But once I hit 544, 550, then it doesn't matter. I'm selling. They're all making a profit. And it doesn't matter if I sell the ones at the top with 1 cent profit because I've got the cheaper ones. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at that point. But if I am going to sell now, I have to inform Robinhood and say, could you sell the 100 I bought at 598, please? That's what I'd need to do. But if we hit 544, then I will start trimming down. And I will be very, 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 very happy with that because I'll have a ridiculously low amount. The average will be low. I'll be in profit and good. I'm at an average of 560 for space. SID, very, very good. The S&P is pumping. In my XTB brokerage, the Virgin Gala action has the sale disabled. Is it normal? Let's have a look. In my XTB brokerage, the Virgin Galactic action has the sale disabled. Is it normal? There's nothing wrong with Virgin Galactic. Your brokerage may have an issue. There's nothing wrong with Virgin Galactic. You can buy and sell. Nothing wrong. That's just an issue. That's just a technical issue with your brokerage. If we got 544, sell it all. Surely by the time Robinhood action it, who knows what the price will be? Surely by the time Robinhood action it, who knows what the price will be? What do you mean action it? You can do a limit order and you know exactly what the price is going to be. If you get 544. Sell it all, says Ali Tisro. Why would you want to do that? VO, put back the launch from Cornwall penciled in for this month. Virgin Orbit, not like to happen this year due to delay of FAA approval. Okay, is that what it was? Virgin Galactic 515. My space average is 578. Okay, we're getting our first little topple. See that on the top there? Perfect. That average down just put me in for space. Sweet. If you email them to Sally, yes. Oh no, it's fixed. No. Yes. Yeah. If I sell today, I can tell them what shares to sell at that price. Absolutely. Yes, I can. So I could do that right now if I wanted to. $165, 37,000 now. We're up today 1.6. No, we're going to end this show and then go right into our Fed show. There'll be a very small. They're different videos, Ali. There'll be a gap in between. Virgin Galactic. If you've just tuned in, we've got one of our best ever audiences today. This is absolutely wonderful. We go live 10 hours a day. We're here to help people. We have cash giveaways every Friday. Please click subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Support the channel. Help us out. It's the most honest, real channel on YouTube. This is all my money on the line all the time. I only have $2,000 in the bank. And we started at $5,000 a year or so ago. And everything we do here is real. We're here to help people. I'm also known as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio. I've done 195 countries, raised millions of dollars in my life for charities. And this is what this TV studio does for all my members. We have fundraisers all the time. Let me give you a wave. I'm actually from Cornwall, United Kingdom. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas. It's an Epiphone guitar. Just got asked what type of guitar I have there, Siddhartha. It's Epiphone. Sell space, trailing stop order amount, 3 cents, shares, 3 cents. Gemboy, thanks for your subscription, appreciate it. Trailing stop order, a 3 cents drop. That's 11. I bought it 5.98. Sorry, 4.98. Just double checking. Yes. A trailing stop order amount 3 cents, 100. Okay, space order placed, 100 shares to put money back, 5.14. They will sell at 5.10, and I bought at 4.98. So I'm making a profit. Lower my average, and I will have to lot sell. Hopefully it won't go down. It'll have a stop trade loss of 3 cents, and it'll keep going up, and it will trail it. That would be the very best outcome. Let's see if we can get that to happen. 5.12. It will sell at 5.10. There is the order. There's the overall portfolio, 0.69. We're protecting it now. 5.10. I'll sell 100. We've lost that big initial pump that we had first of all. That slowed down. We will look at Space's chart again. It's over. It's leveling now on the RSI as over. Here we go. Space sold. I just made my first profit of the morning. There we go. It didn't trail up. Yeah. It sold. I've trimmed back. Let me just sold 500 space at 5.15 for a quick $100 profit. Yeah. There you go. It's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to do. Don't be fearful. Looking at the chart right now, we're overbought. It's not oversold. It's overbought right now on the RSI. So back to, it doesn't matter if it goes up now. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. I'll be looking to buy some more. What do you think of that, Ali? What's everybody feel? Was that a good move? Let's do a poll. Run a poll right now. If you are a member, you can take part in our polls, our chats, everything. And let me do a poll. I want to ask you, was that a good move? What do you think? Are you going to yes or no? I bought at 4.98. I sold at 5.10. Stop trail loss, so it could have gone up. It had a 3 cent trail, but it went back down to 5.10, and I sold. Was that a good move? Ask the community. There you go. And to put that into context, it was a profit of 11, 12, 13, 14 cents. So basically, I ended up with 3 free shares, if you like. I put the money back in the bank. I've taken the profit. My average is now 5.44. I will need to contact Robinhood and get them to sell the correct shares, which I will do. So I will write that down now. Robinhood, SPCE 100 shares. So now what I want to see now is it go down to 498 again. But I've still got 2,311 shares. It doesn't matter. I'm trimming off. It's overweighted, and people don't understand that. They go, "Why?" Someone messaged me last night on YouTube and said to me, "If you believe in Virgin Galactic so much, why don't you buy $100,000 worth of it?" Well, because if I had $100,000, I wouldn't spend $100,000 on one stock anyway, but I don't even have $100,000. This is all of my money I have in the world. I only have $2,000 in the bank. This is everything. So that would be absolutely ridiculous to do such a thing. All right? So it's about balance. It doesn't matter how much you believe in something, you have to have balance and structure. Now, I've just sold some shares on Virgin Galactic. It doesn't matter. I've made a profit on those shares, and I've still got 2,311. It's overweighted. We've got a wonderful guest this morning. Subscribe, ring the bell. If you want to be part of our show, come into the live chat. You can be in the show. You can call into the show. You can have your say, video call in, or call in, or share your opinions through Discord with us. You can become a member. We can celebrate your birthday. I'm actually known as the World Piano Man. We do some music in our show for Sir Richard Branson. If you want me to do a little bit of Rocket Man, I can do that in my show today. All the members. Here is the invitation to join. If you'd like to be in our cash prize draw, every single Friday we have a cash prize draw. It's free to enter, free for all. Here is my invitation to join if you wish to be a member of our channel. The perks are designed to benefit you. You get back 20 times what you put in. We do it for you. And if you are interested in being our free prize draw every Friday I give away the money I make on the video for free. All you got to do is watch one of my videos and leave a comment. Here is the email weekly newsletter. There it is. When you click on it, you will come to this page here, and you will see my email box right here. Here it is at the top. All you got to do is put your email in there, and then you look for the verification email. It'll always go into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. The email you're looking for is the email link to this channel, which is the day trader at martynlucas.com. There it is. Right. Virgin Galactic is going back up. We've got the Fed report this afternoon. I'm at 1.13. 100 basis point. I don't see how it can continue 75. The right thing to do is 100 basis points. We shall see. Today, I'm planning on both. I have plans for both. 5.15 now on Virgin Galactic. I'm down just 5%. Kind of like, I don't mind if it goes up or down now. Okay, we got a wonderful audience. If you want to be part of our Fed report this afternoon, here it is, Jerome Powell live on the show. There is the link in the chat for you. You can go and click like there now, click notification bell. There you go. You can already leave a comment. We'll put all the comments through to our Twitter channel as well. They are. There's the notification bell. You can ring that. There it is on the screen. Okay, you can be part of all that. The overall portfolio now is up 0.88. Virgin Galactic, the S&P 500 is up 0.55 and rising. Virgin Galactic is just hovering. You see now why I trimmed a bit off the top? Hopefully you can. Let's have a look. 71% of you out of 15 votes so far. Was that a good move? Yes. I took some money. I made a profit. Never be afraid to take profits. Richard Branson has sold shares in Virgin Galactic. Elon Musk has sold shares in Tesla. It doesn't make it a bad thing, you know. A lot of people think it does, but it doesn't really. Everybody on TikTok, thank you so much for being here. Come and join us on YouTube. We've got a great family here today. The overall portfolio is looking good. If I scroll down and share with you, this is my entire portfolio. Members can request a list of my entire portfolio if you want to see it. I share it on Discord as well. Let me give everybody the Discord link. If you become a member on YouTube, we upgrade your account and you can see all the exclusive channels. You can call live into the show and so on and so forth. Okay, here we go. There's the Discord right now. Back to Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, 307, Rivian, Lucid, Polestar, Arrival. We're keeping a very close eye on the S&P and Virgin Galactic. I actually want Virgin Galactic now to go back down to 598 or below 498, and I will buy it again. This time I'll buy it 200. That way, using some of the profits I made. Arrival, Polestar, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, up 1.17 today. Johnson & Johnson, fantastic. I'm nearly in the green for the first time. Google, fantastic. I doubled my position yesterday. Microsoft, fantastic. Meta, not interested really. I don't know why I own shares in it. I hate Facebook. Rolls-Royce, I've sold out. Walmart doing exceptionally well. Target, Tesco's, all these have got great dividends about to be paid in. Many of them coming in tomorrow, actually. So anyway, back to that one. Virgin, the S&P 500, the overall portfolio, looking good. Awesome stuff. We've got our Fed report coming up today as well. Here's a quick commercial break. You can skip the ad. It's just 10 seconds. That's all it is. And you can come right back. I really appreciate it. Here we go. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Okay. 76% of you say I was right to do that. Ali Tisro, are you still here? Let me check Ali Tisro. I want to know what Ali's thoughts were. Ali Tisro, you're here. Space, bearish back test of support. Ali, what bearish back test of support. What do you think of what I just did then? Me and Clockwork don't agree. You never agree with me. You never agree with me. Good trade. Ali Tisro says good. I'm now looking to... I want it to go down. Not shorten it, not trying to force it. But I want it to go down so I can pick up some more and lower my average even further. Because if we get a 1% today, I want to have the lowest possible shares of Virgin Galactic. I want to have them on the floor. And if I can then get shares for an average of $4, $3, something ridiculous like that, with a 1% and everything is awful in the world, it can only go up from there. Mason Kirk, Enphase Energy as well, doing great again. Right, let me upgrade you. Mason Kirk, are you a member on our channel? Yes, you are. Let me go over now to Discord and upgrade your account. I'll go into the welcome all screen, which you can go into, and I will see you. Mason Kirk, is this you on the channel? Is this you? And I ask because people pretend to be you all the time. Is this you on the channel? If it is, I will upgrade your account live on the show. Is that you? Yes, sir. Okay. I will upgrade your account. Here we go. Here we go. Roles. I will give you a role of member, YouTube member. There you go. You are now in our family. There you go. You can now see all the other channels. I will open up the Discord broadcast channel, which is at the bottom down here. You can now call in via video or just a phone call if you want to. The broadcast lounge is open at the bottom. You are in. Would everybody please welcome Mason Kirk? Mason Kirk is his name on YouTube and TikTok. If it wasn't, Discord. If it wasn't, I would change it, but it is. So you can now call in. Be on the show, be live, be part of it. Send information to share your trades. If you become a silver member, you can have your own channel as well. Very good. Mr. Clockwork, very funny. I bought 1,729 shares of BAKKT, said Mr. Clockwork. JH, this is me. JH, this is Mason Kirk. What you have? So you have two accounts. You're in with two accounts. All right. This is JH. Who is Mason Kirk? Mason Kirk, thank you. All I'll be posting some stuff for you're all interested in. Okay, great. Yeah, JH, this is Mason Kirk, different person. You're confusing me, JH. You're confusing me. Welcome, Mason. There we go. Okay, back to our trades. Our overall portfolio is moving up. No, I've never met another Mason. Up 0.92. The S&P is going up. No, I just thought it was funny to say, it's me. You just thought it was funny. Well, it wasn't funny. It was confusing. And it was so not funny, I'm going to give you the bad joke. There you go. Ali just posted on General Chit Chat. If anybody wants to see what Ali Tisro just posted on General Chit Chat, you can go and check it out. I'm going to have a little look myself and see what he's posted there for me. Ali Tisro, bearish back test on 5 minute. Need to hold this level on weekly, otherwise doesn't look good. Hence why I sold some. There is the chart. If anybody wants to go and check it out, it's on General Chit Chat. I will share it on the screen for everybody. This was sent in courtesy of one of our members, our gold member, our royal member, by the way. And this is Ali Tisro. And I have to see, I know I've said it, but I'll say it again. I cannot thank you enough for being a gold member, because I would not be able to survive doing this show at about $10 a day, which is what I make, without the membership fees. I would not be able to do it. And that's what I earn. So I thank you all for being members, whether you are bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship, investor, whatever you are all helping. And I really appreciate it. Weekly more important than the 5 minute. I will let everybody else check that out on the Discord. Virgin Galactic is going down now. I'm glad I sold it. Because the momentum went. You can feel it's that time of the day when we're uncertain. There was insider trading. There was an uplift. There was a sell-off to drive the stock down. The insiders made money. They sold off. It's now gone a bit quiet. I made some profit. I've lowered my average. I've trimmed it back. It's the right thing to do. Shad Stream, I'm Mason Kirk. Stop it! You're all confusing me. What is going on? Not this debacle on YouTube now. There we go. 5:11. So that was good. I'm very happy with that. Virgin Orbit. I'm not touching it right now because of those massive delays again. Tesla falling off. But remember, that's still 921 of old money. Still extremely good. And people need to remember that. Rivian. Lucid. Polestar. A lot of the oversold stocks are up. Arrival now down to 90. Getting worse for Arrival. They can't dilute anymore. Apple. Robinhood. McDonald's. Coke and J&J doing great today. It's why you need to own these two. When we get down days like this, well, I say down, negative sentiment, fear, these two stocks always balance it out. There's a reason why Warren Buffett owns so much Coke and Apple, by the way. These always take care of themselves, these stocks. Don't necessarily make much money, but they hold their positions and they pay the dividends, and they have days when everything starts to go up again, and then they'll just hover. I like to have them in my portfolio. They protect. They're like my insurance policy. I've never felt more at home with all these Masons. Agree, Mr. Clockwork, but I see 1%. The hedge fund report scares me. Shouldn't scare you. Should make perfect sense. We know what greed does, and deception, and all these things. Manipulation shouldn't scare you. Should be fully aware of it. Should be fully aware what could happen and prepare for everything. Ali Tisro, this is why I do all my charting on daily charts. Gives you a long-term look at things. See you later, guys. Clocky's out. Clocky's signing out. See you later, Clocky. See you in a bit. 9:14. Shad, the daily time frame is the best. Ali Tisro. If you've just tuned in this afternoon, if you're over there on TikTok, thank you. What's up? What's going on? He's a legend. Thank you so much. Now the Duke of Dallas. Yes, that's me. Good morning, everyone. Cool Restorations. You've missed a very dramatic morning so far. Cool. Where have you been? We've bought Virgin Galactic at 498 this morning and sold it at 510 on a stop trail loss. I'm up right now, says the church. We love it. Okay. Now, we've got lots of guests here today. Lots of guests. Many are silent in the chat. I don't know why. Come on into the chat. Welcome to our family. Doing nothing is very often the best thing to do. Pause. Breathe. Wait. Yes, I've learned my averages. I've made a profit. I trimmed it off. I've still got 900 shares to sell, to trim off, overweighted, overexposed. And that's exactly what I want to do. And that's exactly what I am doing. So there we go. I want to introduce our members to our guests. We've got a really big audience this morning. One of the best we've ever had for an opening bell, which is really, really nice. So I want to introduce you to very quickly to some of our members. Here's Nicky Boy Gaming. We're just going to fly through it really quickly. Nicky Boy Gaming.
Welcome to the Day Traders. This show is pretty an awesome show. I have been supporting it ever since the lockdown has started in the period. My name is Nicholas Squill. I'm 31. I live in Bristol.
And we have
UK.
Sam.
Hello, my name is Sam Hughes, and I pretend to be Sir Elton John for a living.
The Church of Logic.
If you want music, if you want...
I have to first say that,
Here's the
show
Church
is
of
amazing.
Logic.
Everyone needs to check out Martyn Lucas, the day trader. Amazing guy, very honest, very
Here's
open.
Kurt Wooker, appeared on
Packed with
CNN,
loads of
Fox,
information.
all the major
Doesn't
news
feed
channels.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything.
Thank you, Kurt.
Martin is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out.
There we go. We love it. All the members. We've got lots and lots of people. Here's Tom from the UK.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNB Studios here. The reason why I love Martin and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martin's your man to go to.
Okay, working, but I'm all ears. Jason, both L&M for the market. We got a new guest here, first of all. Dara O'Driscoll. That sounds a bit like an Irish name to me. Am I right? I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. Are you from Ireland? Dara O'Driscoll. I do a great Ronan Keating impression if you want to hear it. Anyway, Dara, why is your Vanguard S&P 500 price 368? 356, I think you mean. Or my average 364 maybe means that. And mine is 78 euros. Have you got which ETF have you bought? I've got VU. I have got VU. You can buy SPY, VU, make the difference. I prefer VU because I don't actively trade on it. I only sell it maybe once a month to trim off the top if I needed to. VU works out cheaper than SPY. That's why I use SPY. And obviously your euros, so it's not dollars, it's different. But this is VU, which is available on the US markets. I believe you can get it anywhere in the world, actually. I might be wrong about that, but anyway. Welcome, Dara. Everybody please welcome our guest in. He's probably from Ireland. I'm just guessing. Might be wrong. Please put your citizen countries in and welcome our guest in. Who else have we got here? From Ireland, Uzi Mackie.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Uzi Mackie here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martin's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello and join the family.
I thought so. So that's why I put Uzumaki. Is Ali Tisro. He's in the chat right now.
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
There you go. Virgin Galactic. Yeah. Virgin Orbit 341. Nice little bounce today. I'm not in this stock right now. I'm sort of leveling my risk. Virgin Galactic 512. Ideally, what I want to see is it go down again and take some more, lower the average. But it doesn't matter. I've got 2,311 anyway. Maybe it's because in Europe we have iShares and Vanguard ETFs among others, and that's a different price. I have VUSA. The Vanguard S&P 500 is now 74 euro dollars. I beg your pardon. Remember, it doesn't matter. There are many ETFs that serve the S&P 500. It doesn't matter whether you buy VU, SPY. I often get asked that question. SPY is, a different price than VU. It's because that ETF was set up at a different time. It's not about the price you pay for the ETF. It's about the percentage. It's irrelevant. Right, here we go. Virgin Galactic going up again. So I covered myself in case it was going to go down by selling 100. If it goes up, that's great. If it goes down, it's great. If it goes down to 498, I will buy again and lower my average, and that average will come down to sort of 540, something like that. And that'll be great. Maybe lower, 538. Or, however, if we don't want to go down any lower, and that's also good, we can start going up to 544. Then I will set another stock trail loss and start trimming back from that position. Whichever way around I do it, it's good. There you go. You're getting some nice welcomes in now from the family. So our guest, Dara, we're live every day for the opening and closing bell. We're here to support people. We do fundraiser events for our members. We celebrate your birthday on your birthday for you and your family. If you become a member of our channel, we have the highest member to live viewer percentage rate on any YouTube channel. More people are members here who watch our channel than any other channel. That's official. I've checked it. All right. So 95% of our viewers are members. If you want to become a member, ask them why. Don't ask me. You get 20 times back what you put in. There's the invitation to join. We do many things, including your birthdays, Discord, cash prize giveaways. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. We're here to help you. I'm here to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. I have two, the music channel and this channel. And for those of you who don't know, that I'm actually the world piano man. I've toured 195 countries all over the world, and I will share with you my music channel right now, and you can have a little look at it at the end of the show. If you scroll down under the Day Trader, you can see my music channel. All right, and I want to share it with you so you can see it. And if you enjoy my music, you might want to go and check out my music at the the Day Trader. You might want to go and check out my music channel at the end. Virgin Galactic going back up again. That's good. Here is my music channel for you in the link. There you go. If you want to go and check out, I do 14 voices in 7 different languages. I'm known as the World Piano Man. The S&P is rising again. We are going to report the 514. Very nice. 73% said I did the right thing. I understand some of you would see it. Why did you sell out? Well, I didn't. And remember, Richard Branson sold his shares. Elon Musk sold his shares. It's the right time to enter and the right time to exit. Doesn't mean to say you don't believe in the stock. No, I'm going to go after work tonight. That was Leah asking me, am I going water aerobics? Because it's my water aerobics day today. I'm not going because we've got all this to cover today with Jerome Powell and all of this. I'll go to water aerobics after work tonight. I need to get my exercise and stretch from being in this chair all day, because I'm here for 10 hours a day with you guys. But I do need to be here right now. Virgin Galactic 514. You did a Kenny Rogers. Yeah, I do Kenny Rogers as well. If we get a $10 super chat, I can do Coward of the County in the show. Yes, I do. Let me focus the camera. There we go. That camera was a bit slow today. The overall portfolio doing all right. Do I regret selling Virgin Galactic? No. A profit's a profit. My portfolio is protected. It's very, very important. It's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Virgin Orbit doing very well today. But I'm out of the stock now. I could have bought 328 this morning. I nearly did, actually. But and I knew it was going to go up. You might say, well, why did you sell it? Well, because at the end of the day, I need to prepare for what may come this afternoon. Chris Freeman, how does this work? Sorry, seen you via TikTok and switched to YouTube just now. Do you do a guide to get started and what to do along the way? Yes, Chris. I started this YouTube channel a year and a half ago with the very purpose of growing the best YouTube channel in the world. I have two. I have The Day Trader, where you are right now, and I have Martyn Lucas, the music. I'm also the world piano man. I want to help people, support people. I'm tired of all the nonsense on YouTube telling people what to do for their own benefits. So I don't just make videos. I go live all the time, because how you make money on YouTube is make videos. Okay? I do make videos, but I concentrate more on going live to build a community, because I want people to see the truth. Now, it's not that I'm an expert. I'm not. This is my TV studio. I've built, hopefully, the best YouTube studio on YouTube. It's a full TV studio. All these lights come to life, and smoke, dry eyes. If someone makes a request for a song, all of this comes to life. Right back there is a music channel. This is The Day Trade at the front. And I started with $5,000. And I've learned from my audience who watch me every day. We've got really big investors and traders who don't pump and promote stocks. We simply report on the facts. We tell you what we're trading. This is my real money, all of my money. If this goes to zero today, I lose all my money. I only have $2,000 in the bank. People have seen my bank account. I've shared it. I earn about $10 a day on YouTube. This is my full-time job. I've got no mortgage, so I can afford at the moment to sit here for $10 a day, 10 hours a day, investing in myself, the most important investment you ever make. And we're building a community. And you will see that 95% of my audience are members, with the highest engagement rate on YouTube for members in relation to live viewers. And we're trying to help people. We do fundraisers. We go live all the time. I explain what I'm doing. We have a Discord channel which shows all our trades, our investments. We break everything down. We trade live, all in front of you, with my real money, my real portfolio. We explain what we're doing. You watch what we're doing. Each of our members will tell you what they're doing. You can talk. You can call in and ask me a live question. We celebrate your birthday and special occasions for your family as well, if you're a member. The list goes on and on and on. We're here as a family and a community trying to prepare for our future wealth, build a portfolio so we can retire. And my plan is to get this portfolio to $100,000 by the end of the year and $200,000 by end of next year, and then start moving more and more into dividend stocks. That is my aim and plan. What does membership get me? Well, if you become do you think the turn down will be here for a few years? Depends on your position and how you're. That's a very big question. I'll explain that as we go along. But what the membership gets? Well, you've got bronze, silver, gold, and sponsorship. And if you're a business, you want to sponsor the channel, I'll do commercials for you, or investor level. Bronze level is a couple of bucks a month. Oh, look at this, Virgin Galactic, very nice. I'm up now, nearly 2%. Wow, this is great. At 544, I can start to really trim. This is great. No, you did a Kenny Rogers when you hold them and fold them. Membership. Would everybody, not from me, would my members tell Dara what he gets as a member? We got a couple of Irish guys in here, actually, members. For bronze, it's a couple of bucks a month. We have cash prize draw every month for free to enter, free for all. We have 2 cash prizes. We have the weekly one. We have the one on Twitch as well, which is once a month. I give away the subscriptions that I get from Twitch. You'll have obviously a badge on your name, and it will turn yellow, gold, and red after a period of time. Your benefits increase. For your members, you or members of your family, the day before, the day of, or the day after, I will celebrate your birthday. It's a wonderful thing. You can get to keep the video. I go back to my studio, sing happy birthday. All the members sing it to you and support you. You have full access to Discord. You can call live into the show. You can have a poll in the show. You can ask me to run a poll and do a question. You can also have me make a video on a stock. During the live shows, I will make a video on a stock. Post it. Promote it. Maybe you're interested in a certain stock. I might even buy shares in it to actively promote and pump the stock. Not to pump the stock and dump it. I buy it because I'll believe in it and own it. It's what I do. And I'll tell everybody if I'm going to sell it. And I'll do it live on the show. You can also go on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you're a silver member. You can even have 2 one-hour Zoom calls, one-on-one, if you're a gold member per month. If you want me to help you build your YouTube channel, help you. If you want to promote your YouTube channel. The list goes on and on and on. Ask the members why you should be a member, and they'll all tell you why. Good for you to work out. Started a few years ago when I noticed on... Yes, absolutely right. Very important. Take exercise. Love hearing about your situation. This is how I want to live someday. I don't want to ask for much. Of course, being rich is sweet, but having a nice community is more important. Yeah, exactly. Look what happened yesterday. Was it 2 days ago? Sean came in. He lost his dad. Was it that day? And what did he do? He called in live to the show. And all the members did super chats for me to do music for him. Do you remember that a couple of days ago? Amazing. And I did Time to Say Goodbye yesterday, Smile, Over the Rainbow. He said he sent me personal messages saying he absolutely loved it. It really helped him. He got so much out of it. He loved it. He called in when he lost his dad. He wanted to be on the show. He wanted some music. Brilliant. That's what we do. And because we're always optimistic and positive, we always find ways to make money. A friendly trading community. So anyway, here is the invitation to join. You need a browser, and then I will open up all the Discords, and I will open up all the social medias and everything else you want. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Wow. Nearly 20 cents rise today. I knew it was going to go up, but I decided not to overstretch myself. And it's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to do. Most certainly the right thing to do. The markets will rally today if we get a 0.75, and they will drop if we get a 1. And that's coming up shortly. Okay. If you're not in the cash prize draw for Friday, let me know and I'll give you the link if you want to be in our free prize draw. Every single Friday we give away free money. Free to enter, free for all. Okay. Quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. Let's see if we gain any more subscribers today to our show while we're waiting for our next position to set up. Let's have a little look. 4936. Oh my gosh. My God, that's another 8. We got 8. There's 8 this morning. That's like 16 subscribers during this show today. Flipping heck. When we get to 5,000 subscribers, Greg Dickerson is a star guest coming back on our show for a live event. That'll be wonderful. That'll be wonderful. S&P falling back slightly. Virgin Galactic, 516. Doing well. If we get to 544, we'll most certainly trim. If it goes down below, I will buy some more. We're watching it very, very closely. I've actually got some more shares I can sell actually as well, because I actually bought at 509 as well. I've got another 100 shares I can trim off as well. 509. That isn't quite there yet, but I don't want to be too hasty. I'll be right back, says Church. Make sure that you do. I wonder if Dara is still here. Oh, he's still here. Just checking. And Dara, if you do a $10 super chat, if you want to do that, I'll sing a song for you, and I'll do either Danny Boy in an Irish accent back here in the TV studio, or Ronan Keating if tomorrow never comes. How about that? I can do Ronan Keating, or I can do Danny Boy in an Irish accent. You never know. Somebody might even buy you the song. It happens all the time. Okay. Let's get ready. Got a couple of hours now before the Fed report. Tesla's falling back. Still holding above 921 old school money. That's not an issue. So you should be remember that. If we come out of Tesla and look at it over the 3 months, see, it's up on 3 months. We've got the best quarter in its history about to happen. See, everything about Tesla is great. Nothing to fear with Tesla at all. Nothing to fear there. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Galactic. If we can go up a bit more from here, I might sell my next, because it's weakened. You can feel it. You can feel it. The sense of it doesn't know the direction yet. So what I'm looking at another 100 shares, which I bought at 509. And trimming those off as well. We just need to see it go up a little bit. It's not really viable yet, but I would like to see that. If it goes down, I'll buy more. If it goes up, I'll trim off. So either way round, but right now we're just stuck in a channel with nothing happening. The overall portfolio is up. When will Bitcoin dump? People on YouTube will tell you it's all going to go up. Nonsense and nonsense and nonsense. It will go down. We don't know when. So you've just got to keep lowering your averages and never paying more. I will not pay any more than $18,000 for my next purchase of Bitcoin. I made money on Bitcoin. I had $10,000 of it at one point. Sold it. I'm out. I now have $245 of it. Very small. My average cost is $19,600. When it goes to 8, I'll buy 100. Sorry, 18, I'll buy 100. When it goes to 17, I'll buy 200. When it goes to 16, I'll buy 300. I will dollar average all the way down. I've got exactly the same principle with Ethereum. The merger was a load of nonsense. Great technically. If you are interested in the technical abilities of Ethereum, great. If you're the creator of Ethereum, it's very, very exciting. But at the end of the day, it doesn't do anything for the price of the stock. Anyway. The S&P 500 just holding. Virgin Galactic. Okay, here we go. If we do get a drop to 498 around here, I'll buy it again. Lower my average again using the profit I just made. Queen of Logic. The Queen is here. Hello, Queen. How are you today? So let me end that poll right now. We had 38 votes. 66% said I did the right thing. Well, That's good. We'll end the poll right now because now people that are coming in have no idea what that question is. Okay, let's ask another question right now. Rate hike. Biggest question of the day. The only question that matters. Rate hike. 0.5. 0.75. 1. There you go. 512. My Neo puts I closed out today. I bought last month. I wouldn't buy Neo. I don't like any Chinese stocks, Russian stocks, none of it. I won't buy it at a principle. It's full of nonsense. You can make money in the casino, make money in all kinds of ways that are unscrupulous. But for me, Crypto King, it's not an investment for me. I'm glad you've made some money on it. I'm very happy for you, but it's not really one for me. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, without a doubt, is trending up today. Neo is a real company. I know it's a real company. Sells cars. I know what it is. I just wouldn't invest in it. You keep asking the same question. We keep giving you the same answer. But you're talking about the poll. Well, yeah, kind of relevant today and yesterday. Bootleg Tesla, which is worse? Bootleg Tesla, which is worse than real Tesla? It's a bootleg Tesla. I like that. Yeah, it's coming out the same again, isn't it? Well, there's not enough votes in yet. So 58%. There we go. So 60% now are saying 0.75 or 0.5. I love the people that think it's going to be 0.5. I love that. I think that's brilliant. Who said 0.5? I love 0.5. Whoever voted 0.5, we love you. We think you're brilliant. We want you more on the show. Yes. Absolutely. If you voted 0.5, we love you. Right. I tell you what's very interesting as well, for those of you that are crypto fans, and I use the word crypto fans for a reason. I just started talking about crypto, saying it could go down. I haven't mentioned crypto all morning, just talking about Virgin Galactic, VU, interest rates, the Fed. I had 52 likes. And the moment I started saying that Bitcoin, crypto could go down, happens every time, my likes have dropped from 52 to 47. Look at that. A really big percentage of people have now unliked the video. Incredible. And that shows you the ignorance in crypto. People have bought crypto. Most don't know why. We've proved that. We've run polls about Michael Saylor. We've run polls that people don't know why they bought it, but they thought it was the right thing to do. It looked cool and trendy and exciting. They don't know what they bought. They've never studied it, but they own it. And they are not what I call investors. They have gone down again. It's now 46. It's not... they don't treat it as an investment. They treat it as like a cult following. You'll never sell your crypto. Remember Michael Saylor saying that? And I've said countless times, I believe in crypto. I believe it has a place. But if you're ignorant, and I'm sorry to use that word, but if you're ignorant enough to only see it can only ever go up, and it can only go to $1 million, a number just pulled out of the sky, and all the rest of it, and you can't see any downside in it, you can't see it's possible that it could ever go down to zero, you think it's just magic and it just keeps going up and it's a hedge against inflation when it's proved itself it's not. Otherwise, why would it be going down right now? I mean, that's an absolute fact. Anyone who still says that Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation needs to be, have a dunce out on their head and sat in the corner, quite frankly. And the moment I talk bad about it, because my channel is growing, getting more and more influence, people get aggressive. and they go, this guy's an idiot, this guy is horrible, and they unlike the video, they say bad comments. That just shows you the negative mentality of it all. It should be intelligent, calm, processed investment, not just I'm going to, tweet and Reddit and plague every YouTube channel in the history of financial YouTube channels with Bitcoin scammers. I do not get any scammers on my channel from anything else other than either adult content or Bitcoin. I don't get any scammers trying to sell me Tesla shares, Microsoft shares, Apple shares, the S&P 500. Nobody ever does that. Millions and millions and millions of scammers with Bitcoin. And the fact of the matter is, many, many projects have gone bankrupt and been proven to be scammers and liars and all the rest of the stuff. You don't see that around real assets like Bitcoin, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, and so on and so forth. So those people are ruining it. And it's the very fact that as soon as I say anything negative about crypto, there is a portion of people that unlike the video. See, it's like a cult following, and that's very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous when you don't open your eyes to what's going on. You just want to sit on your backside on your app, and get rich for doing nothing, and that is a real problem. Anyway, I bought crypto back in 2016. I love the future technology, so do I. Hedge against inflation, long term, very long term. But you can't use that. I mean, you can't use the phrase hedge against inflation when inflation is going through the roof and crypto is going down. You can't. I mean, it's like saying, well, in 100 years, I mean, it's nonsense. Hedge against inflation sometime in the future. Well, sometime in the future, I'm going to be the King of England. It's ridiculous. What goes up must come down. That's what keeps us healthy, I agree. Gold isn't even a hedge for inflation anymore. No, nothing is. The most important thing in this market is a DXY and a 10-year bond. 10-year bonds are, that's not something I'm really interested in, but I'll take your word for it. I'm not going to comment either way. Crypto is the biggest pyramid scheme ever invented. Well, obviously, crypto only exists. There you go. I've lost another like. People don't like when I talk bad about it. If I say bad things about Virgin Galactic, no one has a problem. They just listen intelligently and discuss with me the pros and the cons. If I talk negatively about a crypto, the whole world goes nuts. And but there you go. That just shows me, educates me even more about the mentality. It's all upside down, inside out. So I don't care. So if you've unliked the video because you don't like an open, honest conversation about crypto, then you don't belong on the channel. You don't belong in this family anyway, because you don't want to discuss, learn, open-minded, hear both sides of every argument. You just want it one way or another. You belong on BitBoy or Cryptos Are Us, places that will just constantly tell you what they want to tell you for the benefit of their channel. And if you want to be a lemming and just sit on a march over a cliff for the benefit of somebody else's YouTube channel, then please go ahead and watch their channel. This isn't the channel for you. You don't want the truth. Did I miss anything this week? Yes, Market Profit, you've missed everything. We've been doing all kinds of trades this morning. Know that NFTs at Crag. I'm not sure what that means, church. Good day all, just back from vacation. Nice to have you back. Virgin Galactic, we bought at 498 this morning and we sold at 510. We made a small profit. I've now increased from 1,400 to 2,400, now down to 2,300. I just trimmed back, and we're preparing for a 0.75 and a 1 this afternoon. We've got the Fed report live, of course. We're reporting on it live. It's on our homepage of our channel. It comes up next. Here it is. It comes up next. Look on the homepage of the YouTube channel, upcoming live streams, and you will see it right there. BitBoy, Crypto King. You know, these people make millions for themselves, and that's great. I have no problem with that. But we don't want to be like that on this channel, all right? We're not going to make sensational headlines just to make money. It's not what we do. So we just report the truth. Everyone can have a comment. Everyone can, you know, get involved in the show. And everyone has their say. Shiba for a win. You can buy Shiba all you like. I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. I have bought some for a laugh because people find it entertaining when I buy a bit of Shiba. I don't know why. They think it's entertaining, but I don't believe in it. Why not sell call options for premiums? I don't options trade. I don't believe predicting the future by a certain date. The philosophy of options trading doesn't interest me right now. I'm not fully opposed to the idea, and I might at some point try it. But right now, I'm not in on options. I like to own the asset. I like to understand the asset. For me, options is really just is not. You don't really necessarily want to own the stock. You just want to predict on it most of the time predict on it going down. To me, that's just negativity. I know you can go the other way, of course, but I don't like predicting dates and times. Did you buy any space at $4.99? Market profit, I bought it at $4.98 and I sold it at $4.10. We ran a poll on it a minute ago, asking everybody, did I do the right move? 66%, I think it was, said it was the right thing to do. Hey, market profit. Oh, you had a good vacation. What do you think the rate hike will be? Yes, $4.98 year on space. This buy will be long term, but need to trim off at $5.50. There you go, Jason Newman. Absolutely right. Let's have a look at the poll right now. So, 34% say 1%. 34%. So, there we go. 66% now are either 0.75 and below. Let's hope we're all right. 34% say 1%. Well, we'll know soon, and we'll report on it live here on the show. %1 is not priced in. I agree with that. I agree with that. That's why I'm trimming off, not getting all excited. I think it will be 75 basis points. The guidance is what is key, correct? We've said this before on the show, and market profit is absolutely right. Absolutely 100% right on that fact. However, if we get a 0.75, but they tell us next month or whatever is going to be a 1%, or inflation's continuing to get out of control and blah 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 blah, then it's the guidance which is more important. I agree. It's where the markets are going, not where they are today. Unless we get a surprise of 1%, of course, and that will be painful. Let's hope 1% pain is needed before we can recover. Markets has only priced FOMC at 0.75. There we go. That's why I'm trimming off the top. I'm taking some profits. So what I would like to see now is I've just gone from 498. I made 510. What I'd like to see now with Virgin Galactic is 544, so I can trim some more, and I'll have plenty of money available to me then. I'll make some nice profits, plenty of money on the side for the dips if they come this afternoon for a 1% drop. That's what I want to happen. If we can get that before Jerome Powell speaks, that'll be great. Now then, however, if we get a 0.75 and it could rally from here, I would have already trimmed back, so I won't benefit from all of it, but that's okay. I've got to protect myself. Remember, an idiot can make money on the stock market. The hard part is to keep it, and I'm not trying to be the richest man in the world. I've got my averages low. I bought more, but I've got to trim off. I think 1%, especially since Sweden just raised it that much. I don't think Sweden has any effect on the US market. I think the US market has an effect on Sweden, but not the other way round. There's a phrase we use in England that when the US sneezes, UK catches a cold. It doesn't go the other way round. It's pretty much unanimously agreed through history. Right, we are now up 0.81. Oh, hang on, sorry. That's better. We're up 0.8187. We've got day trader of the day coming up. The S&P is still rising. Virgin Galactic now has had its little boost for the day. Don't think it's going to do very much at all. Now, if it does go lower, below 498, or even 498, I will buy it again. Oh, here we go. This is the time it wants to happen, by the way. It wants to happen now, so we have that chance to get the stocks even lower. So the lower I can get this, the better. No one ever has gone broke taking profits, but people go broke never taking profits. Correct, Crypto King, you're spot on there. Other global central banks follow the US rate hiking cycle. Dollar King, there you go. Hey, market profit. Did we agree on something then? Market profit, we agreed on something. Everybody put the flags up. Martyn Lucas, the day trader, had an agreement from market profit. Okay, day trade of the day coming up very shortly. Very, very exciting stuff. Breaking news, Russian airlines now ordered to stop selling tickets to Russian men aged 18 to 65. Yeah, I haven't heard that, but I've heard the fact that they are bringing in reserves now. I'm really sad, though, because those reserves are untrained. They'll be brought in and blown up. Innocent men and women, I'm sure there's some women being involved as well. It's not all men, right? They'll be blown up. With the West getting involved with the way they are, it'll be awful. Malk from the UK. We got a guest just turned up. Hello, guest. Malk from the UK. I'm from Cornwall. How are you? Welcome to our family. Love to have you here. Live every day, opening and closing bell. Getting ready for the Fed report. If you want to be part of our Fed report, by the way, here it is. It comes next. It's in the upcoming live streams of our channel. Here is the video. When we finish here, we'll be going straight to this. There it is. You can click like already on the video. There you are. That crypto guy earlier, Sealer, is unlike the video. Doesn't like me talking about negative things to do with crypto. Doesn't want to listen to the truth. Just wants it all one way. That's all right. You can live like that. Click the notification bell. And you can also leave a comment there like our others have already. And we'll be live there very, very soon for the Fed, Jerome Powell's Fed report. Day trade of the day coming up in a minute. Let me just have a quick stand up, I think. Have a quick stretch in the studio. So we're getting ready now. I have the worst. Sunburn ever, says Market Profit. Had to stretch. Hard to stretch. Would everybody please welcome in Malcolm? We've got a guest here. I'm actually from Cornwall, United Kingdom, Malcolm. This is my TV studio in Dallas, Texas, where I am now. Let me give you a wave. Lovely to have you here. Thanks for being here, mate. And would all our members please welcome our guest in? Malk from the UK. Or maybe he's from the US. I don't know. He's done a US flag. I have the worst sunburn ever. Crypto, yeah. Nits for Elds. What's going on? Let's have a little look. Ethereum dropping again. It's up today slightly, but it's dropping again. And so same with Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, the people on TikTok, very aggressive when you talk about Bitcoin. When you even suggest it could go down. Oh my gosh. All you get is anger. All you get is it's nonsense. You get swearing and silliness. And it's ridiculous. Anyway, there you go. 100 basis points coming. Crypto madness. 100 points coming up. Some silly statements to tank the markets. Well, we shall find out shortly. If 75 basis points long or short. Definitely long. Always long. I don't ever short stocks. I'm always long. I'm always believing in the stocks. Always buying the dips. I believe in the economy. I believe in. I don't believe in people, and that's why I invest in the stock market, because people are greedy and fearful, and most people now who trade on their apps don't even know what they're buying. We've proved it before. People who buy crypto, most don't know what they're buying, which is perfect because you've got volatility and you've got people selling at fear, presents investors the opportunity to buy dips. So it's, what do they say? The rich get richer, the poor get poorer. Education and key and discipline is everything. Without those key components, you'll never make money on the stock market. You'll just be running around chasing your tail. And I know I started like that. Market, what's up, man? I have here we go. Church of Logic. They tried to burn me out yesterday. Set the woods all around me so dry. I'm still hosing the house and yard. What's going on here? They tried to burn me out yesterday. Set the woods all around me. So, what? You were in a fire yesterday? What's going on there? What's going on there? It's fun. That's all I got to say about crypto. Some fools went around. Oh, I see. They tried to burn me out yesterday. You're talking about crypto. Okay, some fools went around setting fires. Oh, okay. I missed the joke again. How's it going, buddy? Here he is, Chris Emery. Here he is. Everyone say hello, Chris, just because you can. Everyone say hello, Chris, just because you can. I missed the joke too. See, I'm always missing the jokes. Tesla's coming back up. Rivian still doing well. I'm at 35% now. Lucid. Polestar, Arrival, Amazon. All I know is I got dirty and lungs full of smoke. It's still burning, no joke. I don't know what this guy's doing, whether he's referring to crypto or he set fire to his house. I've no idea. Does anyone know what he's talking about? Hi all. Hello, Chris. Come on, everybody. In fact, just for the hell of it, while we're waiting for Jerome Powell to speak, let's have a viral moment. Let's make a fellow human being smile and feel important. And after that, he can go back to being anonymous again. Like all of us, right? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to have a viral moment. We've got 34 watching. I want everybody to go, hi, Chris. There you go. Let's make it. Let's have a funny moment. Let's just do it, just because we can, and because it's funny. That's all. No reason other than that. And I'll even let's go. So everyone copy and paste. We'll have a viral moment. There you go. There you go. Spam the channel. There you go. I Chris. I Chris. I Chris. I Chris. I Chris. I want everyone to do it. I want everyone to do it. You ready? Come on. Why isn't the chat rolling through? Hello, Chris. We got a couple coming in now. Come on, come on. Get involved. Get involved. Get involved. I want it to roll. I want it to roll. I'll even do happy music. Hi, Chris. Hi, Chris. Hi, Chris. Just for the sake of it. For no other reason. No other reason whatsoever. Just because we want to make Chris smile. Fellow human being, somewhere on the planet right now, is watching the telly, he's got his YouTube on, and he's got all these crazy, strange people from around the world calling his name out. He's going to record this. He's going to record this and put it on his TikTok. He's going to record it and put it on the telly, show all his friends. Did you realise how famous I am? There you go. Chris, if you record this now, look, you can tell everybody you are more famous than Elon Musk. You are more famous than anyone. You're even more famous than the day trader. Look at that, Chris. There you go. It's not even slowing down. It's speeding up, Chris. You've got a viral moment on YouTube. You are extremely famous. The only person now isn't talking is Chris. Where's Chris gone? Chris, come back into the chat. All is forgiven. Look, you're going viral, mate. Everyone's done it. I love it. Best YouTube channel in the world. I'm watching you on my big telly. Yep, you watching me on the big telly. Have you got your phone recording it? Are you recording this? Because you can tell all your friends that you are the most famous person on YouTube right now. For about a minute, you're famous. In a minute, we're going to cut you off and you'll be a nobody again. In a minute, no one will care who you are. But for now, it's still going. I'm surprised it's still going, actually. I thought people would have got bored of it by now. But no. No. It seems that you've made that much of an impression, Chris. I hope to God you're a member. If I've done this for a non-member, I'm going to be very upset. Anyway, enough of this debacleness. Enough of it. We're done now. Right, thank you very much, everybody. Thanks for making Chris famous. Right, Chris, you could go back to being a regular bloke now down the pub. Right. Ready? That's it. You're done. Oh, brilliant. Chris who? No one knows. It's like a mystery. It's a magical mystery tour. No one knows who he is, but for 5 minutes, he was the most famous person on YouTube. Thanks all. He's sitting there thinking, that was quite good, that. I bet I recorded it. Oh, and by the way, Chris, just so you know, if you want to, right? In fact, why isn't it showing that? That's a bit weird. Let me share that a minute. Hang on. There should be a little button here somewhere. There should be a share button. There should be a little clip under the video. Let me have a quick look. Don't know why it's not there. Yeah, there it is. I wonder what was going on here. Look, see here, look. You can share the video or you can clip it. And what you can do, clip it, does a 60-second thing. You just start it from the beginning and go 60 seconds. You clip it, it will from where you want it to go from, and then you can share that on social media. And if people then want to watch the rest of the video, so it's good for the channel. It helps promote our channel. So it's all about me at the end of the day. It gets people can enjoy it, but they can also see your moment. So if you want to share that around, that's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Why did the lion spit the clown out? Tasted funny. Sorry, not a good joke. Fun fact, my real name is Chris. Fun fact, my real name is Chris. It's not really a fun fact though, is it? It's not really a fun fact, it's just a fact. Did anybody find that fun? Shad's going, I shared my name. I tried to be involved in the channel and share my name that my mum gave me. It's like, it's my name. It's the most important thing. And he's going, it's not even a fun fact. Well, is it a fun fact? Right. Okay. Only 38% of you think 1% on the poll. So we're going to do another poll now. Was it a fun fact? Was it a fun fact? Yes or no? All right. So basically, Shad came in here and he put, fun fact, my name is Chris. And I don't think it's a fun fact. I'm just saying. So we're going to run a poll now. Was it a fun fact that Shad's name is actually Chris? Put yes, no, or can't be bothered. Not, I ain't bothered really. I mean, I'm not going to say yeah, it wasn't a fun fact. I'm not going to say no. I don't want to be nasty or anything. I can't be bothered. I couldn't care less, really. I just thought it was called Shad. There you go. Ask the community. It's because he doesn't like Facebook. That's right. You're my Facebook punch bag. Oh, wow. Okay, no fun fact then. No. It could be a fun fact, says Nitz Farrell. Could be a fun fact, but probably ain't. Sorry, not fun. Yeah, Cliff, it's not really fun, is it? I mean, you know. All right, okay. We're up right now, but not by much. We're holding the ground. That's all we're doing. I mean, we're up. This is great, you know. We've made some profits. We've reduced our risk. Lucas, do you eat at all? Because I see you do this. All I see you do is talking. That's all I do. Basically, I'm a robot. And basically, I'm an algorithm. All I do actually is talk. I don't actually do anything. I'm not even really here. I'm not even real. All right. So here we go. 44% say no, it's not a fun fact. 22%, however, can't be bothered. They're not even... I tell you what, Shad, I'd feel pretty depressed right now if I was you. 22%, 20% of the people here can't be bothered what your name is. That's worse. That's like your parents saying, I'm disappointed. It's worse than saying I'm angry. If they say you're angry, it's a kind of achievement, right? Yeah, I've got my parents to think to be angry. I'm okay with that. But if they're disappointed, that's bad, right? And what you've got now, Shad, you've got 18%. It's going down now because I'm making it worse. People are going, oh, I don't want to do that. 18% saying, I can't even be bothered. That's the worst. That's what you don't want. Look, it's going down. Look, people are going, we can't do that. We can't tell Shad we're not bothered. That'll send Shad spiraling down. That'll send him spiraling down into doom and gloomness. We can't be doing that. That's not right. I'm gonna cry to Martyn Lucas mug. Yes, he's got a Martyn Lucas mug. If you've not got a Martyn Lucas mug, you are not part of the family. Links below. Go and check it out. So there you go. I'm just saying. All right. There's Shad. Look. There's Shad with his mug. See it? Shad has a mug. He didn't actually buy one, though. He won it. So it's not quite the same. But nevertheless, he got a mug. Gonna cry into the Martyn Lucas mug. You can cry all you like, mate. You can cry all you like. At the end of the day, makes no difference. 13% can't be bothered. I will say, though, all of a sudden, everyone's ramping up the yeses. It was a fun fact. Look at that. See, you know this channel is all about positivity and love and support. There are times when you're supposed to like not give love and support. There are times when you're supposed to poke the bear and have a go, and rib him a little bit, right? And I'm disappointed because everyone's being nice. They're being too nice, Shad. This YouTube channel has become too nice. We need to stop it being niceness. The niceness is getting carried away. We're getting more and more people going, yes, it was fun, and less saying we can't be bothered. I can't believe it. The more I talk about it, the more people are going, no, we are a positive channel. We're not putting Shad down. And 56% now, only 11% saying can't be bothered. I can't believe it. It's getting worse. Oh my gosh. We're going to get an award soon for being too nice. YouTube are going to ring me up and say, when you get 100,000, you get the plaque, right? We've got a special one for you. Your channel's too nice. It's too nice. It's just ridiculously nice. Big Boss Martin, Nazroll. Thank you so much indeed. Naz, why don't you become a subscriber to my channel? Nazroll, if you click the little star up here, see there's a little star, hang on, wait for it to come back again, it's gone again. There's a little star up here. If you click, there's a star, see, I've got 12 subscribers. You can become my 13th subscriber, which is a magic number. And what I'll do at the end of this show, put your channel on this screen here, make a video to my 25,000 followers. Oh yeah, I'm that famous on TikTok, right? And I will make a video, put it on my profile, tag you in it, share it to you, and I would invite everyone to be, there's a star right there, look. And you can be, I will promote your channel. And it works really, really well because I am actually going to be a commercial, advertise your profile. So if you've got a profile on TikTok and you want to blow it up, it's the best way of doing it. Because not only will I follow you back and only follow my subscribers, so it's real, I engage in all of my, I see a hat, the hat comes, the star comes, the hat comes, the star, there's the hat, it goes backwards and forwards. When you see the star, click on it, become a subscriber. And you get exclusive content, member-only live streams. We got cash giveaways which we do on YouTube, you can be part of that. It's free to enter, free for all, loads of great stuff. Plus, I make that promotional video for you and blow up your channel. All right? Okay. If you become a subscriber during today's live show, you can only do it during the live show. You can't do it any other time. Just the live show. At the end of the show, today, right now, at the end of the show, I'll make your video. All right? I'll tag you in it, share it with you, follow you, and all that good stuff. All right? Anyway, there you go. Here he is. Caden Youngquist is back. Caden Youngquist, he's missed everything today. He's been gone for ages. Where's Caden Youngquist? Caden Youngquist has been gone. He hasn't been talking anything. By the way, the newsletter for this Sunday, we don't have a sponsor. Okay. We haven't got a sponsor for this Sunday's newsletter. I'm sleeping. You snooze, you lose, Caden. So yeah, if anybody does a $10 super chat, you can sponsor the newsletter this week, and you'll have your link in there, whether it's a YouTube channel or a website or a business or whatever. You'll have a thumbnail and some text, which you can share to me, and I can put it on there. So if you want to do a $10 super chat, you can sponsor it. The newsletter now, I think, is 270 people, 280 people. It's a 65% open rate, which is phenomenal. And if you want to sponsor it, just $10, you can today. All right? Right, we're going to end this poll now. Was it a fun fact? Yes, 58%. So basically, we are a super nice channel. Most of you don't want to have a go at Shad. So I'm going to end that now. There you go. Enough of that, because people are coming in now going, what's all this? I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. All right, we got Day Trader of the Day coming up. We've got to prepare for Jerome Powell. Let's bring everybody up to date. Now, if you're watching live right now, the screen, the little live button in the bottom left-hand corner should be red. Do you know what I mean by that? Let me share with you. You need to click this. See, look, in the bottom of the video, See mine's grey? That's because I'm behind the stream. So I would miss out on the cash giveaways. I'd miss out on the day trader of the day competition. So I click on it. Look, now it's gone red. Click the live button and you come up to date. All right. See, it's gone red now. So click that. Okay, now you're up to date. All right, now we're going to do day trader of the day right after a quick commercial break. We'll do day trader of the day. Cash prize giveaways on Friday. Make sure you've opened up your newsletter. If you've not got the newsletter, let me know and I'll send it to you. All right, so here we go. Here comes a quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Then we got day trader of the day. Then we're going to wrap up and then we're going to prepare for our Jerome Powell. Okay, here we go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. Martyn 0, Shad 1. So 58% of the people are nicer than Martyn. Yep, it looks that way. It looks that way. Once again, right, Martyn 0. That's like the pool. Remember that? Remember the pools? So we have Wolverhampton Wanderers, 0. Liverpool, 2. Manchester United, 4. Torquay United, 0. Martyn, 0. Shad, 1. Remember that? Remember the pools? Remember the pools? You had the little thing. You filled it all in. Remember all that in England? Remember all that? We had the pools every week. My dad used to play it every flipping week. Never won anything, though. PML is back. Finally. What's PML? What's PML? Who's PML? Who's that? Who's back? Who hasn't been here? I don't know what's going on. I'm missing it again. I'm missing the action. Day trader of the day coming up. Oh, EPL. EPL is back. Sorry. Don't worry about it. What's EPL? Hey! I've got a new subscriber. Have I got a new subscriber? Did someone just subscribe? Who's it? Who's just become a subscriber? Someone came in, someone came out. One of my subscribers came in. It wasn't a new one. I think someone just came in to say hello. Anyway. Okay. English Premier League. Okay, English Premier League is back. Now you're doing SMH. All these flipping words. I don't know what's going on here. Right, okay. Day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio. Are you up? Are you down? I'm up at the moment. I can live with that. I'm up at the moment. You ready? I'm not getting involved in your silly words. Stop it. Day trader of the day. I'm up 0.81. Let's see how everyone's doing today. Up 0.81. The markets, I'm ignoring all these abbreviations. 1 minute on the clock when the first person posts. And we'll see who wins the day trader of the day. Up 0.81. You ready? And then we'll take a short little break. Come back with Jerome Powell. Up 0.61. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Hopefully you're up to date and you're live. Right, here's my score. Up 0.81. I go into the lead. I am the best day trader in the world. Jason Newman, up 0.61. I'm better than Jason Newman. Right, just saying. Stephen Lewandowski, he's up 0.7. I'm better than him as well. I'm better than everybody so far. And then someone had to come in and ruin it. Mason Kirk is up 2% overall. So I'm not happy now. I was the best day trader in the world. And now Mason Kirk. See him on the channel up here? Mason. It's about a 5-second delay when I speak and when you see it, right? Because that's YouTube, right? You got me ahead of the game. Right. 0.63. Oh! Church of Logic is up 2.38. Very, very good. Church of Logic is up 2.38. Goes into the lead. 0.84 today. Nits for out. It looks like Church. Oh, Churchy. Churchy. He's doing all right. Go Logic for now. No. For always. Church of Logic, you are the greatest day trader in the history of the world. Your portfolio is better than everybody else's. You are the man. You have done it. You have conquered. You have conquered again. You have conquered it again. Thank you for your honest trades. I always say that because you could just make it up. I'm up 3,000,000%, and anyway, thank you for your honest trades. Otherwise, you're just like glory seeking. I'm just going to make up my numbers every day just so I can get the win every day. Pointless, right? Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And now, the pre-resistance. He gets the sound effects. Sid was up 1.37. He posted a little bit late. Don't know why he posted late. Not paying attention. Not paying attention. Anyway, congratulations to you, Churchy. That was good. I'm disappointed. I thought I was going to be the best day trader in the world today. I thought I was going to rule the world. But no, it wasn't to be. Never mind. The S&P is holding up. Virgin Galactic up 1.38. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. Rivian. Go to the other end of our spectrum and look at crypto. It's all down. No surprise. Bitcoin is up marginally. Looks like Fausto is behind the stream as well. Did you not listen to me? Press the little button. Press the like button. Fastos is behind. Fasto's behind. How are you, mate? Good score, though. The fact you're up is up. Damn it. Everybody beat me. I thought I was doing so well today. So, there we go. Let's have a quick look on our position here. 4944, there we go. We gained 816, that's 17 subscribers during today's show. Very, very nice. When we get to 5,000, we've got Greg Dickerson on the show. Virgin Galactic's going up again. Now then, if you are going to join me, now this show might go early. I want to just give everybody this warning right now. This show might go early. This is the Fed Pal show, live. There it is. Click on it now. Click like. Leave a comment. Ring the notification bell. So you can be there. I might pull it early. Right? It says it goes live in 2 hours at 1 o'clock. We're up as 10 now. That's 2.5 hours from now. I might go a bit earlier to catch the build up while we're still trading and investing. So make sure that you clicked it. Now, for those of you who've not done this, just to make absolutely certain, so you don't miss any breaking news, anything that happens. Because if it happens, it will happen quickly, and I want you to be up with it. Let's make sure that you've all subscribed properly, and there's a right way and a wrong way. Let me show you how you do it. You subscribe, just click unsubscribe for a minute if you've not done this before, and you'll see the bell. The bell should be set to all. If it's not set to all, you won't be notified when I go live. See that? Set it to all, and then you'll be good to go. Very, very important to make sure you've done that. If you've already done that and you get notified, then you don't need to go and check it. If you don't get notified, that's why you don't. And then, of course, on your phone, you can turn notifications on for YouTube and so on and so forth. And I don't know if you know this, but you can ring the bell for individual channels. So if you only want to be notified when I go live, let's be honest, this is the most important channel in the world, right? Of all the channels in the world, this is the channel you want to know. Virgin Galactic 515. Bought that nice little drop this morning. Very, very nice. I sold at 510. I'm happy to do that. I set a 3 cent stop trading loss. If I'd set 4 cents, it would have held in. But it would have sold, though, because we've had the dips up and down. It would have sold even at that. So it's irrelevant, really. I trimmed off. It's okay to do that. Okay. I think we're going to wrap up right now because people are preparing for this afternoon show. It's going to be massive. So we are looking forward to it this afternoon. So I think we're going to end the show right there now. Now, don't forget, just very quickly, it will probably be a members-only live chat. So I'm going to give you the invitation now. You can all watch it for free, but only members, I think, I'm going to allow to chat in the video. Because that way we can answer everyone's questions and we can focus on our members. It's why we have a membership program. We focus on and reward our members. So there is the invitation to join. Once you do join, of course, you can access Discord. Now, you'll only see the public channels. I have to manually do it. So when you come back later on, if you've joined Discord, here's the Discord link now in the chat. Okay. I will manually upgrade your account. So you won't see everything until I've done that. Okay. If you want the weekly newsletter, of course, every Sunday it goes out at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT to be in our Friday draw. We do a Friday draw every Friday. Here is the link to the email newsletter. And when you click on that, it'll bring you to this page here. This is my all links button. And from here, you don't just see the email newsletter, which is there. You see all the links for all the other things, both channels, all my social media. If you are a YouTube member, these are my free giveaways from my sponsors, eToro and Crypto.com and Coinbase and so on. These are all my social media platforms and all the rest of it. But you need to put your email in there, and then you will receive a verification email. And now, if you don't, check your junk box, because it will be in there. It always goes to junk because it contains the word cash prize draw. The email you're looking for is the daytrader at martynlucas.com. Don't just click verify and think you're done. You have to reply to the verification email, which will go into your junk folder until you've clicked on it and verified it. Okay, very, very important. All right, that's everything that we need to say. So far, the markets are up. I'm up 1.07 now. I've improved a little bit in the last few minutes. The S&P's rising. Virgin Galactic is just going up and down sideways now, really. Tesla's coming back up. We're all waiting for this afternoon. Everything is about this afternoon. So we're going to give everyone a break right now, and we're going to roll the credits. Okay? I need someone to say roll the credits, and we'll take a short break. And I'll see you all back in 2.5 hours maximum. I might go early, so make sure you've rung the bell. I just need someone to say roll the credits, and I'll be out of here. Okay. We didn't get any requests for songs today, so there's not going to be much to say in the credits. Where's everybody gone? Is everybody here? What's going on? Is anybody here? The chat's gone extremely quiet. Is it broke? That's really, really weird. The chat's gone really quiet. Seems like everyone's still here. Maybe there's a technical glitch with the chat. I don't know. No one can chat. Oh, here come the credits. I was thinking, where's everybody gone? All right. Roll the credits. Okie dokie. See you back in a little bit then. Let's see who took part in today's show. Let's see who took part in today's show. And the stars of the show today were moderators, Restream Bot. Mike didn't do any slaying today. Subscribers, Marty, Cliff Mitchell, and Gemboy. Now we've had like what 16 subscribers. No, need 20 today. it only shows the public subscribers. So a lot of people don't share their subscriptions. That's why it only shows 3. We didn't get any super chats. We didn't get any members on Twitch. Don't forget, subscribe to Twitch using your Amazon Prime. It's free, and you get a cash prize every first Friday of the month. On YouTube, we do it every Friday. So make sure you've done that. But thank you to all for being here. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Later, everyone. Nit, see you later. Here, bye. Roll the credits. Here, I like the video. Yes, I'm excited. The Church of Logic, we're all excited. Excited for life. The ups and downs of it. Because you know what? You go ups and down, you go left and right. It all means nothing in the end. Because in fact, in 80 years from now, I guarantee we'll all be dead anyway. Every single one of you. Unless there's somebody who's like 5 years old. But I doubt it. Alright? I'm just saying. Alright? In 80 years, my YouTube channel will be here. You'll still be able to watch me. Oh yeah, I'll live on forever. But the rest of you, forget it. Alright. Take care of yourselves. See you all back in a bit. Don't go away. Make sure you ring the bell. I might go live early. Take care of yourselves and each other.